A warm welcome to you. I'm really glad you're here today. Before we begin, I'd love for you to pop into the comments and let us know where you're listening from and what the local time is for you. It's always beautiful to see how global this little space has become. A big thank you to those who have subscribed and supported by liking videos. It truly helps this channel flourish. And if you'd like me to cover something in the future, your suggestions are always welcome. So now, let's begin. Chapter 1: Understanding Bioluminescence, Nature's Glow. Bioluminescence is a remarkable phenomenon that captivates the imagination and illuminates the depths of our understanding of life on Earth. It is the ability of certain organisms to produce and emit light, giving rise to a natural glow that can be seen in the darkened corners of the ocean, in the depths of a dense forest, and even in the skies above. This luminous display is not merely a spectacle. It serves vital functions in the lives of those creatures that exhibit it, from attracting mates to warding off predators. The significance of bioluminescence stretches far beyond its aesthetic appeal. It plays a crucial role in ecological interactions, aiding in communication and predation. Imagine being in a darkened forest, where fireflies flicker like stars fallen to earth, or standing on a beach at night, watching waves glow with the light produced by tiny organisms, creating a shimmering spectacle. Each light serves a purpose, weaving a narrative of survival and adaptation. Historically, the study of bioluminescent organisms has intrigued scientists and naturalists for centuries. Ancient cultures, including the Greeks, documented glowing organisms in their texts, often attributing magical or divine qualities to them. They marveled at the glow of certain fungi and the shimmering trails left by marine creatures. However, it wasn't until the late 19th century that bioluminescence began to be systematically studied. Researchers like Raphael Dubois and Osamu Shimomura delved into the biochemical processes underlying this phenomenon, revealing the complex interactions between light-emitting proteins and chemical compounds. As we explore the diverse range of organisms that exhibit bioluminescence, we find a stunning array of life forms. From the glowing plankton that light up ocean waves to the mesmerizing patterns of light produced by certain jellyfish, bioluminescence is found in bacteria, fungi, insects, and various marine animals. For instance, the deep-sea anglerfish employs a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. The light, produced by symbiotic bacteria residing in its lure, creates an irresistible beacon for unsuspecting fish. Consider the enchanting glow of fireflies on a warm summer night. They are a familiar sight, their flickering light a signal of courtship. Fireflies produce light through a chemical reaction involving luciferin, a light-emitting molecule, and luciferase, an enzyme that facilitates the reaction. This intricate dance of chemistry results in a glow that is both beautiful and functional, demonstrating the elegance of nature's design. Bioluminescence should not be confused with fluorescence, even though both involve light. Fluorescence occurs when a substance absorbs light at one wavelength and re-emits it at another, typically a longer wavelength. This process requires an external light source to activate it, unlike bioluminescence, which is produced internally through biochemical reactions. Picture a glowing jellyfish, its body illuminated from within, in contrast to the vibrant colors of a fluorescent mineral sparkling under ultraviolet light. This distinction is crucial in understanding the various ways organisms interact with their environments. The natural world is replete with fascinating examples of bioluminescence. Take the case of the ocean's dinoflagellates. These single-celled organisms are known for their spectacular displays of light when disturbed, creating a blue shimmer on the surface of the water. This bioluminescence is a defense mechanism, startling predators, and allowing the dinoflagellates a chance to escape. The glow is a reminder of the intricate relationships that exist in nature, where even the smallest organisms contribute to the larger ecological web. Similarly, certain species of fungi, like the captivating Mycena chlorophyos, emit a gentle glow in the dark. This bioluminescence is thought to attract insects that help disperse their spores, ensuring the continuation of their species. Imagine walking through a damp forest at twilight, where the ground sparkles with tiny points of light, each one a potential agent of life and growth. The study of bioluminescence also offers insights into evolution and adaptation. Organisms that emit light often inhabit environments where visibility is limited, such as deep-sea habitats or dark forests. Bioluminescence provides a means of communication and interaction in these shadowy realms. For example, the flashing patterns of light produced by certain firefly species are not just beautiful, but are essential for mating. Each species has its unique rhythm, a coded language that speaks to potential mates in the darkness. Researchers continue to investigate the mechanisms of bioluminescence, seeking to unlock its secrets. The discovery of luciferins and luciferases has profound implications beyond understanding nature. Scientists are exploring how these bioluminescent properties can be harnessed for practical applications, from medical imaging to environmental monitoring. The potential to use bioluminescent proteins as markers in biological research could transform the way we study living systems, allowing us to visualize processes in real time. The beauty and complexity of bioluminescence remind us of the wonders that surround us, hidden in plain sight. It beckons us to look closer, to understand the delicate balance of life and light. As we immerse ourselves in the study of these glowing organisms, we uncover not just the science of light, but the poetry of existence itself. In this exploration of bioluminescence, we touch upon the interconnectedness of life, where light serves as a bridge between the visible and the unseen, illuminating the intricate pathways of nature. As we continue our journey, we will delve deeper into the specific organisms that harness this light, revealing the stories they tell and the roles they play in the grand narrative of life on our planet. As we venture further into the realm of bioluminescent organisms, let us take a closer look at the remarkable adaptations that have allowed these creatures to thrive in their unique environments. The deep sea, often shrouded in darkness, is home to an astonishing variety of bioluminescent life. Imagine descending into the depths of the ocean, where sunlight fades and a world of glowing wonders emerges. Creatures such as the lanternfish and the cookie-cutter shark utilize bioluminescence for survival, employing their light-producing capabilities for both camouflage and communication. Lanternfish, small yet abundant, are the most numerous fish in the ocean. Their bioluminescent organs, known as photophores, are strategically positioned along their bodies. These lights can be dimmed or brightened to help them blend into the surrounding water, counteracting the shadows cast by overhead predators. This clever adaptation, known as counter-illumination, effectively conceals them from above while allowing them to remain visible to their prey beneath. The delicate balance of light they maintain exemplifies the precision of nature's design, providing a vivid illustration of how life continues to adapt in the face of challenges. Consider also the cookie-cutter shark, a creature that employs its glow in a more provocative manner. Its bioluminescent belly is believed to mimic the faint light of the ocean's surface, enticing larger predators to approach. Once close enough, the cookie-cutter shark takes a bite, leaving a circular wound in its unsuspecting target. This extraordinary tactic showcases not only the shark's ingenuity, but also the intricate web of predation and survival that defines the oceanic ecosystem. Among terrestrial environments, bioluminescence finds its way into the heart of the forest. The glimmering light of mushrooms, such as the Mycena genus, serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on land. These fungi thrive in damp, decaying wood, and their glow is thought to attract insects that assist in spore dispersal. Picture a forest at night, where these ethereal flashes of light beckon the curious and the wandering, each flicker a gentle invitation to explore the mysteries held within the shadows. The allure of bioluminescence captivates not only scientists, but also artists and writers, inspiring countless works that celebrate this breathtaking phenomenon. Renowned biologist and author Richard Dawkins once remarked, "The universe is a marvelous place, and it is full of wonders." The wonders of bioluminescence remind us that within the scientific inquiry lies not just facts, but stories that enrich our understanding of life. As we explore the differences between bioluminescence and fluorescence, we uncover not just the mechanics of light production, but also the deeper significance of each phenomenon. While bioluminescence arises from chemical reactions within organisms, fluorescence relies on external light sources to activate its glow. This distinction has profound implications for the behavior and ecology of the organisms involved. Visualize a coral reef, where bioluminescent creatures cast their light in the dark waters, while fluorescent corals shimmer under the sun's rays, interacting with their environment in distinct and beautiful ways. The applications of bioluminescence stretch beyond the realms of nature and into the world of science and technology. Researchers are harnessing the properties of bioluminescent proteins for innovative uses, from environmental monitoring to medical diagnostics. The ability to use glowing proteins as markers in biological studies offers a window into the inner workings of life itself. Imagine a world where scientists can track cellular processes with the flicker of a light, revealing layers of complexity previously hidden from view. The potential for bioluminescence in medical research is particularly exciting. The discovery of luciferase, the enzyme responsible for producing light in bioluminescent organisms, has opened new avenues in cancer research and drug development. By tagging cells with bioluminescent proteins, scientists can observe the growth of tumors or the effects of treatments in real time. This transformative approach not only enhances our understanding of diseases, but also paves the way for breakthroughs in therapies that could save lives. The fascination with bioluminescence extends into the cultural realm as well. Various cultures have woven the magic of glowing organisms into their folklore and traditions. In Japan, the firefly is celebrated during summer festivals, where people gather to bask in the beauty of these luminous insects. The enduring allure of bioluminescent creatures speaks to a universal wonder that transcends time and place, connecting us all through the shared experience of marveling at the natural world. As we continue our exploration of bioluminescence, we will delve deeper into specific organisms and their unique adaptations. We will uncover the stories behind their glow, the roles they play in their ecosystems, and the lessons they teach us about survival and resilience. Bioluminescence is not merely a scientific curiosity. It is a testament to the creativity of evolution and the interconnectedness of life. Each flicker of light is a reminder of the stories that unfold in the darkness, illuminating the paths we have yet to explore. As we turn our gaze to the enchanting world of terrestrial bioluminescence, we encounter yet another remarkable manifestation of life's ingenuity. The subtle glow of certain fungi captivates the imagination, beckoning us to consider the hidden narratives woven within their luminescent threads. These fungi, often found thriving in damp leaf litter or decaying wood, utilize their glow in a manner that speaks to the delicate balance of their ecosystems. Through their light, they attract insects that unwittingly become agents of spore dispersal. Imagine a moonlit forest, where each glowing mushroom acts as a beacon, inviting the curious to explore its surroundings and facilitating the cycle of life and decay. The intricate relationships between bioluminescent organisms and their environments reveal the underlying principles of survival and adaptation. Consider the unique case of the glowworm, a larval stage of certain beetles. These larvae, found in caves or dark crevices, emit a soft blue-green light that lures unsuspecting prey into their silk threads. This bioluminescent strategy not only exemplifies the art of predation, but also highlights the fascinating evolutionary paths that lead to such adaptations. As we envision these glowing threads in the darkness, we can appreciate the cleverness of nature's designs, where light becomes a tool for survival. The study of bioluminescence provides a window into evolutionary processes, illustrating how organisms adapt to their environments through light. In the depths of the ocean, for instance, bioluminescence serves as a critical means of communication and camouflage. The phenomenon of counter-illumination, practiced by many deep-sea species, allows them to blend seamlessly with the faint light filtering from above, rendering them nearly invisible to predators lurking below. This remarkable adaptation invites us to ponder the myriad ways life continues to innovate in response to environmental pressures. Delving deeper into the world of bioluminescent marine life, we find fascinating examples such as the glowing squid, which utilizes its light to communicate with others of its kind. The squid's bioluminescent patterns serve as signals for mating or warning. Think of the vibrant colors and shifting patterns that might emerge in the dark waters, a mesmerizing display that conveys crucial information in a silent language. Each flicker and shimmer encapsulates the essence of life beneath the waves, a testament to the artistry of evolution. As we explore the scientific implications of bioluminescence, we encounter a wealth of potential applications that extend far beyond the realms of nature and into technology and medicine. The unique properties of luciferins and luciferases have sparked a surge of interest among researchers seeking to harness these natural phenomena for practical uses. Imagine being able to illuminate specific cells within a living organism, providing insights into biological processes that were previously obscured. This capability could revolutionize our understanding of cellular mechanisms and disease dynamics. Furthermore, the integration of bioluminescent markers in medical research holds promise for tracking the progression of diseases such as cancer. By employing bioluminescent proteins, scientists can visualize tumor growth in real time, allowing for more accurate assessments of treatment efficacy. This innovative approach exemplifies how the wonders of the natural world can be translated into groundbreaking advancements in science and medicine. The allure of bioluminescence also permeates cultural narratives, inspiring stories and folklore across diverse civilizations. In many cultures, glowing organisms are celebrated as symbols of mystery and enchantment. The firefly, for example, often represents fleeting beauty and the ephemeral nature of existence. Its glow evokes feelings of nostalgia and wonder, connecting us to the rhythms of nature that have captivated humanity throughout history. As we immerse ourselves in the study of bioluminescent organisms, we become witnesses to the intricate web of life that surrounds us. Each glowing creature tells a story, illuminating the dark corners of our understanding and inviting us to explore the depths of our curiosity. The next chapter of our journey will take us into specific ecosystems, where bioluminescence plays a pivotal role, revealing the dynamic interactions and relationships that define these luminous worlds. Chapter 2: The Chemistry of Light Production in Organisms. In the realm of bioluminescence, the chemistry behind the mesmerizing lights is as intricate as it is fascinating. At the heart of this phenomenon lies a pair of essential players known as luciferins and luciferases. Imagine luciferins as the fuel and luciferases as the spark that ignites the glow. These molecules engage in a remarkable chemical dance, resulting in the production of light that has captivated humanity for centuries. Luciferins are a diverse group of light-emitting compounds found in various bioluminescent organisms, each tailored to fit the unique needs of its host. From the fireflies flickering in the twilight to the deep-sea creatures that illuminate the abyss, luciferins can take on many forms. For instance, in fireflies, the luciferin used is a compound called betel-luciferin. When it interacts with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase, a chemical reaction occurs that produces light. This reaction is not just a simple flicker. It releases energy in the form of photons, creating a glow that can be seen across vast distances. In contrast to fireflies, the luciferin found in the marine environment, such as in certain species of jellyfish, operates through a slightly different mechanism. Here, the luciferin, known as coelenterasine, undergoes a reaction that involves the enzyme luciferase, leading to a blue-green light. This color is particularly effective in the ocean, where blue wavelengths penetrate deeper than any other color. Imagine a jellyfish pulsing gracefully through the water, its glow illuminating the dark depths and revealing its ethereal beauty. The chemical reactions that produce light vary not only in the type of luciferin and luciferase involved, but also in the environmental conditions that influence their effectiveness. Temperature, pH, and the availability of oxygen all play pivotal roles in determining how well these reactions proceed. For example, in some organisms, colder temperatures can enhance the efficiency of light production, allowing them to shine even brighter against the dark backdrop of their habitats. Have you ever wondered how the temperature of the ocean might affect the bioluminescence of its inhabitants? As the waters cool, the reactions within these creatures can become more vibrant, turning the sea into a canvas of shimmering lights. Exploring the variations in bioluminescent mechanisms among organisms reveals a rich tapestry of adaptations. Some organisms, such as the firefly, produce light in a controlled manner, using it for communication during mating rituals. The rhythmic flashing of fireflies is a conversation written in light, a dance of signals exchanged in the stillness of the night. In contrast, many deep-sea creatures utilize bioluminescence as a defensive mechanism. The lanternfish, for instance, can release clouds of bioluminescent fluid, confusing predators and providing a fleeting moment to escape. This adaptation underlines the versatility of light production, showcasing the myriad ways organisms have evolved to survive. Further illustrating this diversity, certain species of fungi exhibit bioluminescence, a phenomenon known as foxfire. The glow emitted by these fungi is not merely for show. It plays a crucial role in attracting insects that help disperse their spores. Picture a dark forest floor, illuminated by the soft, greenish light of glowing fungi, subtly guiding the way for potential partners in propagation. This interaction highlights the interconnectedness of life, where light serves as a beacon in the quest for survival. As we consider the efficiency of light production, several factors come into play. The efficiency of the luciferin-luciferase reaction can be influenced by the organism's metabolic rate and the biochemical pathways available to them. Some species have evolved to maximize light output, ensuring that their glow is not only seen, but also serves a vital purpose in their ecological niche. The ability to produce light with minimal energy expenditure is a testament to the elegance of evolutionary processes. Think of the deep-sea anglerfish, whose bioluminescent lure attracts unsuspecting prey. The light produced by this fish is not just a random flicker, it is a calculated effort to entice and capture dinner. The efficiency of their light production allows them to thrive in the dark depths where sunlight barely reaches. In contrast, the vibrant displays of light produced by certain species of plankton, such as dinoflagellates, are often triggered by movement in the water. When disturbed, these tiny organisms emit bursts of light, creating a dazzling spectacle known as bioluminescent waves. This phenomenon not only serves as a warning signal to potential predators, but also enhances their survival by creating a visual distraction. The sight of glowing water, stirred by the movement of a passing fish or a gentle wave, invokes a sense of wonder, reminding us of the hidden complexities of life beneath the surface. The interplay of luciferins, luciferases, and environmental factors paints a vivid picture of the chemistry of light production in organisms. It is a symphony of interactions that has evolved over millions of years, each note contributing to the grand performance of life. The luminescence that captivates our imagination is not merely a product of chance. It is the result of intricate biochemical processes honed by nature itself. As we reflect on the beauty of bioluminescence, we must also consider the future of this captivating phenomenon. The study of bioluminescent organisms has not only expanded our understanding of life, but also inspired innovations in various fields. Researchers are investigating the potential applications of bioluminescence in medicine, environmental monitoring, and even sustainable lighting solutions. The glow of these organisms may one day illuminate our world in new and unexpected ways, bridging the gap between nature and technology. In the quiet moments of the night, as fireflies flit in the darkness and the ocean sparkles with the life within, we are reminded of the chemistry that fuels this enchanting glow. Each flicker and shimmer tells a story, a whisper of life in the shadows. The chemistry of light production in organisms is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a testament to the creativity of life itself and the myriad ways it adapts to thrive in a world that is often shrouded in darkness. The intricate relationship between luciferins and luciferases unfolds across a spectrum of life forms, painting a breathtaking picture of adaptation and survival. While fireflies and jellyfish may be the most recognized bioluminescent organisms, countless others contribute to this dazzling display. Consider the enchanting glow of certain fungi, which have evolved their own unique luciferins and luciferases. The bioluminescence of these fungi is not merely a visual delight, it serves a crucial ecological role. By attracting insects, these organisms ensure the dispersal of their spores, demonstrating an elegant strategy of survival in the forest ecosystem. Imagine walking through a moonlit forest, where the ground is speckled with soft, green glows, inviting tiny creatures to partake in the age-old ritual of life and growth. The chemical reactions that allow these organisms to emit light vary in complexity and efficiency. For instance, some species utilize a single luciferase enzyme to catalyze the reaction, while others may employ multiple enzymes, resulting in a richer palette of colors and intensities. This diversity is a testament to the evolutionary paths taken by different species. The luminescence of the deep-sea anglerfish, with its specialized lure, stands in stark contrast to the rapid pulsing of light produced by dinoflagellates. Each organism has adapted its light-producing mechanism to suit its specific environment and lifestyle, revealing an intricate web of life that thrives in the darkest corners of the Earth. As we explore further, it is essential to consider the role of environmental factors in shaping these bioluminescent displays. The efficiency of light production hinges on several conditions, including temperature, pH, and even the organism's habitat. For example, bioluminescent organisms found in colder waters often exhibit heightened efficiency in their light production, a fascinating adaptation to the depths where sunlight struggles to reach. This ability to thrive in extreme environments illustrates the resilience of life on Earth. Have you ever paused to think about how organisms survive and flourish in places where others cannot? The adaptations they develop, such as enhanced luciferin-luciferase reactions in colder waters, reflect the miracles of evolution. Consider also the fascinating phenomenon of bioluminescent waves. The gentle lapping of waves against the shore often conceals a vibrant world of plankton that erupts into light with the slightest disturbance. This spectacle, often witnessed on warm summer nights, is not just a beautiful sight, but a survival mechanism. The flashes of light can confuse predators, providing the plankton with a chance to escape. This wonder of nature reminds us of the interconnectedness of life forms and their shared reliance on bioluminescence for survival. Picture yourself standing at the water's edge, captivated by the glowing waves, each ripple a reminder of the hidden life teeming beneath the surface. Further investigating the varying mechanisms of bioluminescence, we find that some organisms have evolved to produce light in a manner that is not only efficient, but also adaptable. The light produced by certain species can change in intensity and color based on environmental cues. This adaptability is crucial for communication, particularly in species that rely on bioluminescence for mating or territory defense. The mesmerizing flashes of light emitted by male fireflies, for example, are not just random. They are carefully timed signals that convey information to potential mates. The delicate balance of light and darkness in their environment becomes a canvas for courtship, demonstrating the power of bioluminescence in the natural world. In the realm of science, the study of bioluminescence has spurred exciting innovations and applications. Researchers are exploring ways to harness this natural phenomenon for various purposes, from medical imaging to environmental monitoring. The potential of bioluminescent proteins in the field of biotechnology is immense, as they offer a non-invasive method to track cellular processes, illuminating the inner workings of life itself. Imagine the possibilities that arise from understanding and applying the principles of bioluminescence in medicine and environmental science. Each discovery opens new doors to understanding the complexities of life and the chemistry that binds it together. The charm of bioluminescence extends beyond its immediate visual appeal. It serves as a reminder of the wonders of evolution and the intricate biochemical pathways that sustain life. From the flickering lights of fireflies to the dazzling displays of marine organisms, each glimmer tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the interconnectedness of all living things. As we ponder these brilliant displays, it's worth considering the implications of our understanding of bioluminescence for future generations. What lessons can we draw from nature's light? How can this knowledge inspire a greater appreciation for the delicate balance of ecosystems? The chemistry of light production in organisms is not just an isolated occurrence. It encapsulates the essence of life itself, a celebration of diversity, resilience, and ingenuity. In the stillness of night, when the world is cloaked in darkness, the faint glimmers of bioluminescent organisms serve as gentle reminders of the vibrant life that thrives all around us. Each flicker adds to the collective narrative of existence, a luminous thread woven into the fabric of nature. As we continue to explore the vastness of life on Earth, let us remain open to the wonders that await us, illuminated by the brilliant chemistry of bioluminescence. Chapter 3: Bioluminescent Organisms, Fireflies in Focus. Across the world, fireflies flutter through the twilight, their soft glow painting the night with ephemeral beauty. These fascinating creatures belong to a diverse group of over 2,000 species, each adapted to its own specific environment. Some dwell near wetlands, while others prefer the gentle embrace of meadows or the shaded canopies of forests. Each habitat offers a unique stage for the fireflies' displays, where they become part of the intricate web of life that thrives in those ecosystems. As the sun dips below the horizon, fireflies emerge, their bodies adorned with specialized light-producing organs. Imagine standing in a lush green field, the air thick with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The first flickers of light appear, gradually intensifying and creating a mesmerizing dance of illumination. This display is not merely for show. It is a vital form of communication among fireflies. Males, seeking to attract mates, emit rhythmic flashes of light, a language written in luminescence. Each species has its own unique pattern, like a signature that conveys identity and intent. The females, perched on nearby leaves, respond with their own flashes, a delicate interplay of light and longing. Have you ever wondered how a firefly knows which signals to respond to? It is a remarkable display of evolutionary adaptation. The females are exquisitely attuned to the flashing patterns of their male counterparts, ensuring that they engage only with the right species. This specificity is crucial as it minimizes interspecies mating, which can lead to less viable offspring. The light itself acts as a beacon, guiding potential partners toward one another, illuminating the path to reproduction in the stillness of night. Yet, bioluminescence serves more than just the purpose of attraction. It plays a fundamental role in survival. Many firefly species utilize their glow as a deterrent against predators. The brilliance of their light signals to potential threats that they are unpalatable or even toxic. This phenomenon, known as aposematism, is a strategy employed by various organisms across the animal kingdom. The glow acts as a warning, a vivid reminder that not all that shines is safe to consume. Imagine a predator, drawn in by the flickering light, only to be met with an unpleasant taste or a toxic reaction. In this way, fireflies weave their glow into the fabric of their environment, a luminous shield that enhances their chances of survival. Amidst this enchanting spectacle, firefly populations face significant challenges that threaten their existence. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are relentless forces that jeopardize these delicate creatures. As natural landscapes are altered for human development, the intricate ecosystems that fireflies depend upon are disrupted. Wetlands are drained, meadows are paved over, and the dark, quiet places they need for communication are illuminated by artificial lights. This loss of habitat not only reduces their breeding grounds, but also impacts the very rhythms of their life cycles. In the face of these challenges, conservation efforts have become increasingly vital. Communities around the world are beginning to recognize the importance of preserving habitats that support firefly populations. Local initiatives and educational programs aim to raise awareness about the ecological significance of these enchanting insects. By fostering understanding and appreciation, people can take steps to protect the natural environments that allow fireflies to thrive. Imagine the joy of watching a firefly-lit evening transformed into a community effort to safeguard their future, where each flicker of light represents a commitment to conservation. In exploring the lives of fireflies, we uncover not just their beauty, but also the profound interconnectedness of life on Earth. These luminescent beings remind us of nature's delicate balance and the importance of preserving the habitats that sustain all forms of life. As we continue to learn about bioluminescent organisms, we find ourselves drawn into a deeper understanding of the world around us, where each glowing flicker tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the enduring light of life. As nightfall envelops the landscape, the air becomes imbued with a symphony of light and sound. Fireflies, with their delicate bodies, contribute to this enchanting chorus, each species weaving its unique pattern into the fabric of night. The diversity of firefly species is as remarkable as the habitats they occupy. From the lush wetlands where the air is thick with moisture, to the sun-drenched meadows that bloom with wildflowers, these organisms thrive in environments that offer both shelter and sustenance. Consider the common firefly, often seen flitting among tall grass and wildflowers. Its habitat, a vibrant tapestry of life, supports not just the fireflies themselves, but a myriad of other species. Here, the interplay of light and life takes center stage. The firefly's luminescence attracts mates, while also serving as a beacon for other creatures. Each flash becomes a signal, communicating not just attraction, but the health and vitality of the individual. In contrast, certain species prefer the humid embrace of forests, where their glow can be seen illuminating the underbrush in a gentle, flickering ballet. It is in these shadows that fireflies engage in their nightly rituals, intertwining their lives with the rhythms of the ecosystem. Have you ever wondered how the glow of a firefly can capture the attention of not just potential mates, but also predators? This duality of light serves as a fascinating example of nature's intricate designs. While fireflies utilize their bioluminescence to attract partners, they also rely on it as a defense mechanism. The brilliance of their glow acts as a warning sign. Many predators, having learned through experience, recognize that a meal adorned with such light may be unappetizing or even dangerous. This strategy is part of a broader survival tactic seen throughout the animal kingdom, where bright colors or patterns signal toxicity or foul taste. It is a vivid reminder that in nature, appearance can be both a lure and a deterrent. The communication of fireflies goes beyond mere attraction and defense. It is a complex system of signals that varies across species. The male firefly's flashes are not random. They follow a rhythm that is distinctive to each species. Imagine a soft pulse of light, rhythmic and deliberate, echoing through the night air. These patterns are essential for females who are attuned to the nuances of their prospective mates' displays. By responding in kind, the females affirm their interest, creating a dialogue that transcends the boundaries of language. This enchanting exchange highlights the sophistication of firefly communication, a reminder that even in the natural world, connection thrives in diverse forms. Yet, as we marvel at this dance of light, we cannot ignore the pressing challenges that fireflies face. The dynamics of their populations have been profoundly affected by human activity. Urbanization disrupts their habitats, while the glow of artificial lights competes with their natural signals, drawing attention away from their rhythmic displays. The once stark meadows and forests that fireflies call home are often illuminated by streetlights and buildings, creating a cacophony of light that confuses their communication. How can these delicate beings navigate a world that seems increasingly hostile to their existence? The plight of fireflies is a poignant reminder of our responsibility towards the natural world. Conservation efforts are taking root in various communities, where awareness is growing about the vital roles these organisms play in our ecosystems. Initiatives aimed at preserving natural habitats seek to restore the dark sanctuaries that fireflies require for their mating rituals and life cycles. Imagine a community rallying together to plant native vegetation, creating sanctuaries for fireflies to thrive. Each effort, no matter how small, contributes to a larger movement toward ecological balance. Renowned biologist and conservationist E.O. Wilson once remarked on the importance of protecting biodiversity, stating that the loss of biodiversity is the greatest threat to humanity. This sentiment reverberates through the ongoing dialogue surrounding firefly conservation. By safeguarding the habitats they depend upon, we not only ensure the survival of these luminous insects, but also nurture the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Each firefly that flickers in the night serves as a symbol of nature's resilience, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life. In exploring the rich tapestry of firefly existence, we gain insight into the broader ecological narratives that shape our world. The delicate balance of their populations is a reflection of the health of the environments we share. As we witness these enchanting displays of light, let us also reflect on the choices we make that impact their survival. The flickering glow of a firefly is not merely a spectacle. It is a call to action, urging us to protect the fragile ecosystems that support life in all its forms. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of bioluminescent organisms, we find ourselves drawn into a deeper understanding of their role within the larger context of life on Earth. Fireflies, with their glowing bodies and intricate behaviors, remind us of the beauty and complexity of nature. They are not just creatures of the night. They are emissaries of light, illuminating the path toward a sustainable future, where we coexist harmoniously with the myriad forms of life that share our planet. The shimmering world of fireflies extends beyond their enchanting dances in the night. Their existence is intricately tied to the ecosystems they inhabit, revealing a narrative woven with complexity and interdependence. Fireflies thrive in environments that provide not only shelter, but also the necessary conditions for their life cycles. These habitats, rich with moisture and vegetation, serve as both nursery and playground, where the larvae develop in the soft detritus of leaves or within the damp earth. Imagine a tranquil evening in a lush meadow. The gentle rustling of grass accompanies the soft hum of life, while the fading light of day gives way to the shimmering glows of fireflies. This scene is not merely a visual delight, it is a crucial moment in the life of these delicate creatures. The larvae, often hidden from sight, lead a quiet existence, feasting on soft-bodied insects and organic matter. Their growth is a testament to the health of their surroundings, as they rely on a rich tapestry of biodiversity to flourish. In this dance of life, communication remains key. The luminous signals emitted by fireflies during mating rituals are not just for attraction, they also play a role in ensuring genetic diversity. By attracting mates from within their own species, fireflies contribute to a more resilient population. The interplay of light in the dark serves as a reminder of the delicate balance maintained within ecosystems. Each flicker of light is a note in the symphony of life, ensuring that the next generation can thrive amidst ever-changing conditions. However, the challenges faced by fireflies are significant and manifold. As urbanization encroaches upon natural landscapes, the delicate balance they depend on is disrupted. The artificial lights that illuminate our cities not only overshadow the natural glow of fireflies, but also interfere with their communication systems. The once serene and dark habitats now filled with intrusive light pollution create barriers that inhibit their mating rituals. In a world where every flicker counts, how do we reconcile our need for development with the preservation of such beautiful creatures? Conservation efforts are becoming increasingly crucial as awareness of these challenges grows. Organizations and community groups are working to reclaim spaces for fireflies, advocating for the restoration of natural habitats that can support their life cycles. Imagine a neighborhood coming together to create a firefly-friendly environment, planting native flora and reducing light pollution. Such initiatives not only benefit fireflies, but also enhance the overall health of local ecosystems. Notable figures in conservation have long recognized the importance of preserving biodiversity. Their work emphasizes not only the aesthetic value of such organisms, but also their critical role in maintaining ecological balance. Fireflies serve as indicators of environmental health. Their decline signals deeper issues within their ecosystems. Each effort to conserve their habitats reflects a broader commitment to nurturing the intricate web of life on our planet. As we ponder the fate of these luminous insects, we are reminded of our interconnectedness with the natural world. The plight of fireflies illuminates the broader challenges facing ecosystems globally. Their glowing bodies encapsulate a wealth of stories, each flicker a testament to survival amidst adversity. In preserving the habitats that allow fireflies to flourish, we embrace a responsibility that extends beyond our immediate surroundings. The interplay of light and life continues to inspire curiosity and awe. As we explore the role of fireflies in the grand narrative of bioluminescent organisms, we begin to appreciate the intricate relationships that define our world. Each glowing display is not just a spectacle. It is part of a larger dialogue about life, adaptation, and the enduring struggle for survival. Fireflies, with their delicate lights, beckon us to listen closely, to observe, to learn, and to act in ways that honor the beauty and fragility of life itself. Chapter 4: Exploring Deep-Sea Bioluminescent Creatures. In the vast, mysterious embrace of the ocean, where light barely penetrates, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds. Bioluminescence, the ability of certain organisms to produce and emit light, takes center stage in the deep sea. This enchanting glow exists in a world that is shrouded in darkness, where the sun's rays rarely reach and where life has adapted in extraordinary ways. Imagine descending into these depths, surrounded by an undulating sea of dark blues and blacks, only to be astonished by the flickers and flashes of bioluminescent creatures illuminating the abyss. Among the most iconic of these luminescent beings is the anglerfish, a master of disguise and deception. With its bioluminescent lure, it attracts unsuspecting prey into its waiting jaws. The anglerfish's light, produced by symbiotic bacteria that reside within its specialized lure, serves not only as a beacon for food, but also as a survival strategy in an environment where competition is fierce and darkness reigns. Picture this curious fish, its silhouette blending seamlessly into the murky water, the light of its lure glowing softly. A tantalizing invitation for smaller fish to come closer, unaware of the lurking predator. Then there are jellyfish, ethereal and graceful, drifting through the water like living lanterns. Certain species, such as the Equoria victoria, exhibit a mesmerizing glow that can range from a muted green to a brilliant blue. These jellyfish are not merely beautiful, their bioluminescence serves as a defense mechanism. When threatened, they release clouds of light, startling predators, and providing a chance to escape. The glow emanating from the jellyfish is generated through a chemical reaction involving luciferin and luciferase, just as in many other bioluminescent organisms. Can you envision the gentle sway of a jellyfish, its body pulsating with light, enchanting and yet enigmatic, as it navigates the dark waters? Squid, too, possess the ability to shine in the depths. The vampire squid, for instance, is equipped with photophores, specialized organs that emit light. These squid can control their luminescence, using it to blend with the faint light from above, a clever adaptation that allows them to evade predators lurking below. In this dark world, light becomes a powerful tool, a means of survival and adaptation. It's fascinating to consider how these creatures have evolved to master the art of darkness, employing light as a weapon, a lure, or a shield. Bioluminescence holds profound adaptive significance in the deep-sea environment. It serves multiple purposes, from attracting mates to deterring predators. In a realm where visibility is limited and the pressures of survival are high, organisms that can emit light are often at an advantage. The interplay between light and dark creates a dynamic ecosystem where bioluminescent displays can alter the behavior of both predators and prey. Have you ever pondered the complexity of life beneath the waves? Here, in this dark expanse, light serves as the thread that weaves together the fates of countless species. The impact of bioluminescence extends beyond individual survival. It plays a crucial role in the deep-sea food webs. Bioluminescent organisms often serve as a primary food source for larger creatures. The light they emit can attract predators, creating a chain reaction throughout the ecosystem. For instance, tiny plankton, which light up the ocean with their glow, are consumed by small fish, which in turn become prey for larger fish and mammals. This interconnectedness illustrates the fragility and complexity of deep-sea ecosystems. It begs the question, how does this intricate web of light and life sustain itself in such a hostile environment? Furthermore, bioluminescence has evolved in various ways across different species, each with its own unique adaptations. Some deep-sea fish possess the ability to produce light in patterns that can confuse predators, while others utilize it for communication within their species. The diversity of bioluminescent mechanisms reflects the myriad ways organisms have adapted to their surroundings. Consider the wonder of this evolutionary journey, how life has found ways to thrive in darkness by harnessing the very essence of light. As we explore these vibrant underwater realms, it becomes clear that bioluminescence is more than just a spectacle. It is a vital adaptation that shapes the ecology of the deep sea. The shimmering lights are not merely decorations in an oceanic ballet. They are critical to the survival of countless species, illuminating the path of life beneath the waves. The stories told by these lights echo the resilience and ingenuity of nature, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary adaptations that have evolved over eons. In the grand narrative of our planet, bioluminescent creatures invite us to marvel at the wonders of evolution and the delicate balance of life beneath the surface. As we continue to uncover the secrets of the ocean, we are reminded of the profound connections that exist within the web of life. Each glowing organism, from the anglerfish to the jellyfish, contributes to a larger story, one that reveals the depths of both our oceans and our understanding of nature itself. The deep sea, with its enchanting glow, beckons us to dive deeper, to explore the mysteries that lie hidden in the shadows, waiting to be illuminated. In the deep, shadowy expanses of the ocean, the phenomenon of bioluminescence plays an intricate role in the survival of diverse species. While many creatures possess the ability to emit light, their adaptations vary remarkably, each finely tuned to the challenges of their environment. Imagine a world where darkness reigns, yet life thrives through the brilliant flashes of light that serve many purposes. Consider the lanternfish, a small inhabitant of the deep sea, often overshadowed by larger predators. These fish utilize their bioluminescent capabilities to blend into the faint light from above, a technique known as counterillumination. By emitting light from photophores located along their bodies, they create a camouflage that hides their silhouette from predators lurking below. This clever adaptation highlights the evolutionary arms race occurring in the depths, where survival hinges on the ability to manipulate light against the backdrop of an inky abyss. The role of bioluminescence extends beyond mere camouflage. It acts as a form of communication among various species. The flash patterns of certain species can convey critical information, from the presence of mates to warnings of danger. In the case of the deep-sea shrimp, they exhibit a dazzling display of light patterns that signal to potential partners. It is a visual language that transcends the darkness, fostering interactions that are vital for reproduction in an environment where visibility is almost non-existent. Can you picture the flickering signals exchanged between these tiny creatures, a silent conversation illuminated by their own glow? The beauty of bioluminescence lies in its versatility and the myriad ways it has evolved. Take the case of the deep-sea squid, a creature that not only uses light for camouflage, but also as a distraction. When threatened, certain squids can emit a sudden burst of bright light, momentarily blinding and confusing their attackers, allowing them a fleeting chance to escape. This strategy is reminiscent of the bioluminescent response in some species of octopus, which can produce a blinding flash to startle predators. It illustrates the ingenuity of life in the dark, showcasing how organisms have adapted their light-producing abilities for survival. As we explore further, the impact of bioluminescence on the larger ecosystem cannot be overlooked. In the depths of the ocean, bioluminescent organisms often form the foundation of food webs. They attract a variety of predators, creating a cascade of interactions that sustain entire communities. For instance, when small bioluminescent organisms like copepods are illuminated, they attract larger fish, which in turn are sought after by even bigger predators. This web of connections emphasizes the importance of light in maintaining ecological balance, illuminating how life interdepends within these dark waters. Have we ever truly considered the significance of light in the cycle of life beneath the surface? In addition, bioluminescence serves to enrich the nutrient dynamics of the deep sea. When bioluminescent organisms die, their bodies sink to the ocean floor, providing a nutrient-rich feast for scavengers and decomposers. This phenomenon, often referred to as marine snow, is a vital process that contributes to the recycling of nutrients within the ecosystem. It nurtures a cycle of growth and sustenance, helping to sustain the myriad life forms that rely on these nutrients. The interplay of light and life thus becomes a crucial component in the intricate network of the deep sea. As we reflect on the remarkable adaptations of bioluminescent creatures, we find inspiration in their resilience and ingenuity. The evolutionary journey of these organisms reveals not only their struggle for survival, but also their ability to thrive in an environment that, to us, seems inhospitable. From the mesmerizing glow of jellyfish to the cunning strategies of the anglerfish, each bioluminescent display tells a story of adaptation and resilience. Prominent figures in marine biology, such as Dr. Edith Witter, have dedicated their lives to exploring these depths. She once stated, "The ocean is a vast and largely unexplored frontier, and bioluminescence is the key to unlocking its secrets." Her passion for the wonders of the deep sea reminds us that there is still much to discover, and the glowing organisms of the ocean play a pivotal role in this exploration. As we immerse ourselves in the wonders of bioluminescence, we see a reflection of nature's creativity, an artistry crafted through eons of evolution. Each glowing creature, with its unique adaptations, contributes to the rich tapestry of life, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living beings. The deep sea, with its myriad of bioluminescent inhabitants, invites us to ponder our place within this ecosystem, urging us to recognize the delicate balance that sustains life in every corner of our planet. In contemplating the future, we must also acknowledge the impact of human activity on these vibrant ecosystems. Pollution, climate change, and deep-sea fishing pose significant threats to the delicate balance of life in the ocean's depths. As we continue to explore and study bioluminescent organisms, we must also advocate for their protection, ensuring that the wonders of the deep sea endure for generations to come. As we continue our journey through the world of bioluminescence, we are reminded of the magic that exists beneath the waves. The soft glow of these creatures not only illuminates the darkness, but also sparks our curiosity and wonder, urging us to seek knowledge and understanding of the incredible adaptations that enable life to flourish in the unknown. In this luminous realm, we find a testament to nature's resilience, creativity, and the unbreakable bonds that connect all living things. The intricate web of life within the deep sea is woven tightly with the threads of bioluminescence, creating a vibrant ecosystem that thrives in the absence of sunlight. This phenomenon not only captures our imagination, but also supports a unique community of organisms, each relying on light in distinct and essential ways. Imagine the depths, where creatures rely on the glow of bioluminescence as a compass in their dark world, guiding their movements and shaping their interactions. Among these interactions, the role of bioluminescent organisms in predator-prey dynamics is particularly striking. The deep-sea environment is fraught with danger, yet those who wield light possess a remarkable advantage. Certain small fish and invertebrates emit bioluminescent signals that can distract or confuse predators, providing them an opportunity to escape. For instance, the lanternfish, a crucial player in the deep-sea food web, not only uses its light for camouflage, but also emits flashes that can disorient looming threats. Can you envision the flickering lights amidst the dark waters, a dazzling display that serves as both a shield and a sword in the battle for survival? Beyond individual encounters, bioluminescence plays a vital role in the reproductive strategies of deep-sea organisms. In the vastness of the ocean, finding a mate can be a challenge. Many species have evolved to use their bioluminescent capabilities as a beacon of attraction. Some deep-sea fish engage in elaborate light displays, signaling their readiness to mate and ensuring their species' continuation. The glow they emit acts as a lure, drawing potential partners through the inky blackness. It is a dance of light and life, a testament to the innovative adaptations that allow these organisms to thrive in such an unforgiving environment. The interconnectedness of bioluminescent life is further amplified by the phenomenon known as the bioluminescent bloom. During certain conditions, like nutrient upwelling or warmer waters, microorganisms can proliferate, creating a breathtaking spectacle of light. These blooms, often composed of dinoflagellates, can illuminate the ocean's surface, transforming the water into a shimmering canvas. This breathtaking display not only captivates those lucky enough to witness it, but serves as a crucial source of food for larger marine animals, establishing a cycle of energy that sustains diverse marine life. Have you ever marveled at how these tiny organisms, barely visible to the naked eye, can orchestrate such a grand performance? As we contemplate these luminous ecosystems, we are drawn to the exceptional individuals who dedicate their lives to studying bioluminescence. Scientists like Dr. Michael Latz have tirelessly explored the depths of the ocean, unveiling the mysteries of these glowing organisms. His work illustrates the profound implications of bioluminescence on ecological health and its potential applications in biotechnology. The insights gained from these studies deepen our understanding of marine ecosystems and underscore the importance of protecting these fragile environments. In this exploration, we cannot overlook the potential consequences of human interference. The delicate balance maintained by bioluminescent organisms is threatened by pollution and habitat destruction, which can disrupt the intricate relationships forged in the darkness. As we delve into the significance of bioluminescence, we are reminded of our responsibility to preserve these irreplaceable ecosystems. How can we ensure that future generations inherit a world where the wonders of bioluminescence continue to illuminate the dark depths of the ocean? In recognizing the beauty and complexity of bioluminescent creatures, we are inspired to appreciate the delicate dance of life that unfolds beneath the surface. Each glowing organism contributes to a collective story of survival, adaptation, and interconnectedness. The ocean, with its myriad forms of life, invites us to explore its mysteries, urging us to protect the fragile balance that sustains it. As we journey through these depths, we are continuously reminded of the resilience and ingenuity of nature. The luminous displays of bioluminescent organisms are a beacon of hope and a testament to the wonders that exist in our world, urging us to look deeper into the ocean's embrace and cherish the life that glows within. Chapter 5: Bioluminescence in Terrestrial Ecosystems. In the heart of our terrestrial ecosystems, bioluminescent fungi emerge as gentle luminaries, casting ethereal glows that breathe life into the darkened forest floor. These enchanting organisms are not merely visual spectacles. They play significant ecological roles that contribute to the intricate balance of their environments. Imagine wandering through a damp, shadowy woodland where the delicate light of bioluminescent fungi punctuates the darkness, guiding the way like nature's own lanterns. These fungi, belonging to various genera, have evolved to produce light through a fascinating biochemical process, utilizing luciferins and luciferases similar to their more celebrated counterparts in the animal kingdom. The glow emitted by these fungi serves multiple purposes, from attracting insects for spore dispersal to deterring herbivores. As they release spores into the night air, they create a captivating display that not only enhances their reproductive success, but also contributes to the overall health of the forest ecosystem. Consider the role of bioluminescent fungi in nutrient cycling. As they decompose organic matter, these organisms break down complex compounds, releasing essential nutrients back into the soil. This process enriches the forest floor, supporting the growth of other plants and fungi. The intricate web of life is thus sustained by these humble yet vital organisms that illuminate the dark corners of our world. In addition to fungi, bioluminescent bacteria also weave their light into the fabric of terrestrial ecosystems, interacting with plants in surprising ways. Picture a lush meadow where certain plants have formed symbiotic relationships with bioluminescent bacteria. These tiny organisms often inhabit the roots of plants, providing them with essential nutrients while receiving carbohydrates in return. This mutualistic relationship exemplifies the interconnectedness of life, where even the smallest players contribute to the grand narrative of survival and adaptation. Imagine walking through this meadow at twilight, where the gentle glow from the bacteria illuminates the roots of the plants, creating an otherworldly scene. As the light pulses softly, it not only attracts pollinators, but also deters herbivores, ensuring the plants thrive. The luminous display serves as a beacon of health, signaling to other organisms the vitality of the ecosystem. As we reflect on the influence of terrestrial bioluminescence, it is essential to recognize how these glowing organisms shape ecosystem dynamics. Their presence supports biodiversity, fostering a rich tapestry of life that thrives in harmony. Bioluminescent species act as indicators of environmental health, with their presence often signaling a balanced ecosystem. Have you ever paused to consider how the delicate balance of light and life reflects the overall vitality of our planet? In this context, the role of bioluminescent organisms extends beyond their immediate surroundings. As they contribute to pollination, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling, they help maintain the intricate relationships that define ecosystems. The glow of these organisms can often be a harbinger of ecological change, revealing both the resilience and fragility of the environments they inhabit. However, the enchanting glow of bioluminescent fungi and bacteria faces challenges in today's world. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change pose significant threats to these organisms and the ecosystems they support. The conservation of habitats rich in bioluminescent life is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ecological health. Imagine a world where the gentle flicker of fireflies and the glow of fungi are diminished, where the rich interactions between species are lost to the shadows of extinction. The importance of habitat conservation cannot be overstated. Protecting the unique environments that support these bioluminescent organisms ensures that they continue to thrive, illuminating the natural world for generations to come. Each forest, meadow, and wetland is a sanctuary for these glowing beings, housing them in a delicate balance that we must strive to preserve. As we engage with these concepts, it is vital to remember the words of a renowned conservationist who said, "In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks." This sentiment resonates deeply as we explore the magic of bioluminescence in terrestrial ecosystems. The glow of these organisms offers not only beauty, but also a vital connection to the health of our planet. As we move forward, let us embrace the responsibility we have to protect the habitats that nurture these luminous beings. Imagine walking through a vibrant forest, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and life, and the ground is illuminated by the gentle glow of fungi. Each step we take in preserving these ecosystems brings us closer to a world where light and life coalesce in harmony. The story of bioluminescence is not just one of wonder. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance we must strive to sustain. By understanding and appreciating the ecological roles of bioluminescent organisms, we can foster a deeper connection with our environment. Each flicker of light tells a story of survival, adaptation, and resilience. In the quiet moments of the night, as the forest comes alive with glowing wonders, we are invited to reflect on our place within this magnificent tapestry of life. The gentle illumination of bioluminescent fungi and bacteria serves as a beacon of possibility, a reminder that even in darkness, there is light to be found. In essence, the enchanting world of terrestrial bioluminescence is a testament to the wonders of nature, revealing the intricate relationships that bind us all. As we explore further, let us carry this sense of wonder and responsibility with us, ensuring that the glow of these remarkable organisms continues to light our way into the future. In the gentle hum of the forest, bioluminescent fungi serve as silent sentinels of ecological health, their light revealing the interconnectedness of life that thrives in the shadows. These fungi do not merely exist in isolation, they engage in a complex dance with their environment. As they decompose organic material, they break down fallen leaves and dead wood, an intricate process that recycles nutrients vital for the growth of surrounding flora. This decomposition is not just a transformation. It is a rejuvenation of the forest floor, enriching the soil and fostering a habitat for diverse plant life. Imagine a forest in late autumn, where the vibrant hues of foliage give way to the soft decay of leaves. Underneath this tapestry of color, bioluminescent fungi quietly flourish, their faint glimmers illuminating the dark corners where life is often overlooked. This phenomenon not only captivates the human eye, but also attracts various organisms that play roles in the nutrient cycle. Insects drawn to the soft glow aid in spore dispersal, ensuring the continuation of these luminescent species. Bioluminescent bacteria, too, contribute to this rich ecological narrative. Their interactions with plants extend far beyond mere companionship. They participate in a symbiotic relationship that enhances plant health. Picture a meadow at dusk, where certain roots are enveloped in a soft, radiant glow, a signal of the thriving partnership between bacteria and plants. These bacteria fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, transforming it into a form that plants can absorb, thus promoting healthy growth. In turn, the plants provide carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis, creating a cycle of mutual benefit. As the sun sets, the meadow transforms into a realm of light and shadow, where glowing roots illuminate the ground beneath. This radiant interaction not only sustains the plants, but also serves as a beacon for nocturnal creatures, guiding them to food sources while warding off potential herbivores. Can you envision the intricate web of signals exchanged in this vibrant community, where light becomes a language of survival? The impact of bioluminescence on ecosystem dynamics extends into the realm of predator-prey interactions. The soft glow emitted by these organisms can function as a deterrent to herbivores, signaling the presence of toxins or unpalatability. For instance, certain glowing fungi may indicate to foraging animals that they are best left untouched. This relationship illustrates the delicate balance of life, where light serves as both an invitation and a warning. Furthermore, the role of bioluminescent organisms stretches beyond immediate interactions. They contribute to broader ecosystem functions, influencing food webs and biodiversity. Their presence can attract a variety of species, promoting a rich tapestry of life that thrives in these illuminated corners of nature. Have you ever considered how the flickering lights of fireflies or the glow of fungi can signal the health of an entire ecosystem? These organisms often serve as indicators of environmental quality, reflecting the overall vitality of their habitats. Yet, as we marvel at the beauty of bioluminescence, we must also face the reality of the threats these organisms encounter. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change loom large over the ecosystems they inhabit. Imagine walking through a once vibrant forest, now silent and dim, where the luminous fungi have faded into obscurity. The loss of these organisms signals not only a decline in biodiversity, but also a disruption of the intricate relationships that sustain life. Conservation efforts are imperative to protect the delicate balance that bioluminescent organisms help maintain. Every forest, wetland, and meadow is a sanctuary, a place where life continues its dance under the soft glow of bioluminescence. It is our responsibility to advocate for the preservation of these habitats, ensuring future generations can experience the wonder that comes alive in the darkness. As we reflect on the importance of these luminous beings, we can draw inspiration from the words of environmental advocates who emphasize the interconnectedness of all life. The preservation of bioluminescent fungi and bacteria is not merely an act of conservation. It is a commitment to safeguarding the delicate web that sustains us all. The gentle glow of bioluminescent organisms invites us to engage with the natural world in profound ways. Each flicker and shimmer is a reminder of the intricate relationships that flourish beyond our sight. As we explore the depths of terrestrial bioluminescence, Let us carry this awareness forward, embracing our role as stewards of the ecosystems that nurture these extraordinary organisms. In the quiet moments of the night, as we stand amidst the glow of bioluminescent fungi and bacteria, we are offered a glimpse into the resilience of life. This light serves not only as a spectacle, but as a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a harmonious coexistence with the natural world. Let us cherish these glowing wonders, for they are not only a testament to nature's beauty, but also to the vital connections that bind us all. As the forest breathes in the twilight, the gentle glow of bioluminescent fungi and bacteria becomes a vital thread in the intricate web of life surrounding them. These organisms do not merely exist within their ecosystems. They actively shape the environment, influencing the behaviors and survival strategies of countless other species. Imagine a serene evening in a dense forest, where the air is fragrant with the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves. Here, bioluminescent fungi emerge from the shadows, their soft light enhancing the beauty of the undergrowth. This illumination serves a practical purpose, guiding nocturnal insects that play a crucial role in spore dispersal. The fungi, in their luminous glory, beckon these insects closer, ensuring their reproductive success and the continuation of their species. Could it be that the glow we see is not only a call to insects, but also a warning to herbivores? Many bioluminescent fungi contain compounds that can be unpalatable or toxic to potential grazers. With their light acting as a signal, they communicate their defenses, allowing them to thrive in a world where survival often hinges on avoiding predation. This interplay between light and life illustrates the remarkable adaptations that have evolved over millennia. Furthermore, the interactions between bioluminescent bacteria and plants extend beyond nutrient exchange. They contribute to the overall resilience of those ecosystems. Envision a thriving garden where certain plants, in concert with their bioluminescent partners, not only grow robustly, but also exhibit enhanced resistance to diseases. These bacteria, residing within the root systems of plants, can produce antimicrobial compounds, fostering an environment where flora can flourish amid challenges. The soft illumination at the roots acts as a subtle indication of this partnership's vitality. As the light pulses gently, it signals to other organisms in the ecosystem, a beacon of health amidst the shadows. This dynamic demonstrates how bioluminescence enriches not only the individual organisms, but the entire ecosystem, creating a more resilient community. Moving beyond individual interactions, the influence of bioluminescence echoes throughout entire ecosystems, affecting food webs and biodiversity. The glow of bioluminescent organisms often attracts a variety of species, from pollinators to prey, fostering a rich interplay of life. Each flicker and shimmer creates a ripple effect, drawing in not only those who benefit directly from the light, but also those higher up the food chain. Picture a scene where the glowing fungi draw small mammals and insects, which in turn attract larger predators, creating a vibrant tapestry of life interconnected through the glow of bioluminescence. Yet, despite the beauty and complexity of these interactions, the future of terrestrial bioluminescent organisms remains uncertain. Habitat destruction, driven by urbanization and agricultural expansion, threatens the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Imagine a landscape once alive with the soft glow of fungi now dimmed, as development encroaches upon their habitats. Without conservation efforts, we risk losing not only these mesmerizing organisms, but also the intricate relationships they foster. The importance of habitat conservation cannot be overstated. Protecting the environments that support bioluminescent life is essential for maintaining the biodiversity that sustains the planet. Each forest, meadow, and wetland represents a sanctuary for these luminous beings, a place where life continues its intricate dance. By safeguarding these habitats, we ensure that future generations can experience the wonder of bioluminescence, a reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. As we ponder these ecological dynamics, let us embrace the words of those who advocate for the preservation of our natural world. The light emitted by bioluminescent organisms serves as a symbol of hope, illuminating the path toward a sustainable future. By protecting the habitats that nurture these extraordinary beings, we honor the interconnectedness of all life and acknowledge our role as stewards of the earth. As we wander through the realms of bioluminescence, we are invited to engage with the natural world on a profound level. Each glowing organism tells a story of adaptation, survival, and resilience, illuminating the interconnected web of life that surrounds us. In the quiet moments of the night, as we stand amidst the gentle light of fungi and bacteria, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains the ecosystems we cherish. These luminous wonders are not just a spectacle. They embody the intricate relationships that bind us all. The glow of bioluminescence beckons us to reflect on our responsibilities as guardians of the earth, ensuring that the dance of life continues to flourish in harmony with the rhythms of nature. Chapter 6: Bioluminescence, a tool for survival. In the diverse tapestry of life, bioluminescence shines as a remarkable tool for survival, employed by various organisms in myriad ways. This radiant phenomenon serves multiple functions, allowing creatures to adapt and thrive within their environments. Imagine wandering through a dimly lit forest, where the gentle glow of bioluminescent fungi illuminates the ground beneath your feet, guiding you through the shadows. In this world, light is not just a visual delight. It acts as a beacon, a warning, and a lure. Bioluminescence plays a crucial role in camouflage, attraction, and deterrence strategies. For instance, consider the deep-sea squid, a master of evasion. These enigmatic creatures utilize bioluminescence to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. By emitting light that matches the intensity and color of the ambient light filtering down from above, they create a perfect illusion, rendering themselves nearly invisible to both predators and prey. The phenomenon is known as counterillumination, and it illustrates nature's brilliance in crafting survival strategies. Have you ever pondered how creatures evolve such sophisticated methods of blending into their environments? Attraction is another vital function of bioluminescence, particularly evident in mating rituals among many species. The firefly, with its enchanting flashes, serves as a classic example. Each species of firefly possesses its own unique light pattern, a beacon in the night that calls to potential mates. The males signal their presence through rhythmic bursts of light, while females respond with their own sequences, creating a delicate interplay of attraction. It is a dance of light and life, where each flicker represents a chance for continuity. The natural world thrives on these interactions, woven together by the luminous displays that guide them. Deterrence is also a critical aspect of bioluminescence. Some organisms use their light to send a clear message to would-be predators. The deep-sea lanternfish, for example, employs bioluminescence as a defense mechanism. When threatened, it can produce a sudden burst of light, creating a momentary distraction that allows it to escape. This strategy not only startles predators, but also allows the lanternfish to blend into the surrounding darkness as it flees. How fascinating is it that light, typically associated with attraction and beauty, can also serve as a protective shield in the depths of the ocean. Exploring specific case studies reveals the extraordinary ways different species utilize bioluminescence to enhance their survival. One striking example is the enchanting glow of the anglerfish. This master of disguise has a bioluminescent lure that dangles from its head, attracting unsuspecting prey in the dark waters of the deep sea. The light is produced by symbiotic bacteria residing in the lure, creating a captivating glow that beckons fish closer. As they approach, drawn by the alluring light, they become the anglerfish's next meal. This remarkable adaptation illustrates not only the ingenuity of evolution, but also the intricate relationships between organisms and their environments. Consider the case of the bobtail squid, another fascinating inhabitant of the ocean's depths. This small creature has developed a remarkable partnership with bioluminescent bacteria. By housing these bacteria in a specialized cavity, the bobtail squid can manipulate the light they produce, using it for camouflage against moonlight or starlight. This symbiotic relationship exemplifies how bioluminescence can evolve beyond mere self-production, showcasing cooperation as a means of survival. Have you ever thought about the complexity of such partnerships in nature? On land, bioluminescence can be equally captivating. The glow of certain fungi serves not only as a spectacle, but as a pivotal element in their ecosystems. For example, the Mycena genus, known for its luminescent properties, attracts insects that play a vital role in spore dispersal. These glowing fungi light up the forest floor, guiding insects that inadvertently aid in their reproduction. Imagine walking through a forest where the ground sparkles with the soft glow of these fungi, creating a magical atmosphere that enhances the entire ecosystem. The light they emit is more than just beauty. It is a lifeline for future generations. The evolutionary advantages of bioluminescence are profound. Organisms that possess this remarkable ability have enhanced their chances of survival through various strategies that capitalize on light. By attracting mates, deceiving predators, or luring prey, bioluminescent creatures have carved out niches that allow them to thrive in their environments. This adaptation is not just a quirk of nature. It is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life. As we delve deeper into the evolutionary implications, we find that bioluminescence may also serve as an indicator of environmental health. In aquatic ecosystems, changes in the population of bioluminescent organisms can signal shifts in water quality or the presence of pollutants. For instance, a decline in jellyfish populations, known for their bioluminescent displays, may reflect broader ecological imbalances. This connection between light and environmental stability highlights the importance of preserving these luminous beings, as they are not just beautiful entities, but crucial indicators of the health of our planet. Imagine the delicate balance of ecosystems, where each organism plays a role in the grand narrative of life. The glow of bioluminescence serves as a reminder of this interconnectedness, illuminating the dark corners where life thrives against the odds. It is a phenomenon that not only enchants us, but also invites us to consider the intricate relationships that sustain our world. In contemplating the wonders of bioluminescence, we are drawn into a realm where light becomes a vital instrument of survival. The enchanting displays in the natural world offer a glimpse into the evolutionary artistry that shapes life on Earth. From the mesmerizing flashes of fireflies to the eerie glow of deep-sea creatures, bioluminescence weaves a story of adaptation and resilience that resonates through time and space. As we reflect on these luminous adaptations, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe for the sheer diversity of life that has harnessed the power of light. In a universe filled with darkness, these glowing beings remind us of the beauty of survival and the endless possibilities that arise from nature's creative solutions. What other secrets might the natural world hold, waiting to be uncovered in the flickering light of bioluminescence? In the intricate web of life, Bioluminescence serves not only as a captivating visual phenomenon, but also as a crucial evolutionary tool for survival. Each species that exhibits this remarkable ability has honed its unique strategies, adapting to the challenges of its environment. As we explore the various functions of bioluminescence in nature, we come to understand how light can be manipulated in exceptional ways. One of the most fascinating aspects of bioluminescence is its role in communication. Beyond mere attraction for mating, light can convey complex messages. Consider the case of the firefly again, but this time, let us delve into the subtleties of its signaling. The flashes emitted are not random. They are deliberate patterns that communicate species' identity and mating readiness. In a field filled with multiple firefly species, how do they ensure that they attract only their kind? The answer lies in the intricate timing and rhythm of their light displays. Each species has adapted its flashing pattern, creating a unique signature that resonates within the chorus of glowing lights. This sophisticated communication allows fireflies to find one another amidst the vastness of their environment, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. In the depths of the ocean, where darkness reigns and light is scarce, bioluminescence transforms into a language of survival. The lanternfish shines brightly as a prime example, using its light not only to distract predators, but also to communicate with others of its kind. When schools of lanternfish gather, their synchronized bioluminescent displays create a mesmerizing spectacle. Imagine a scene where each flicker of light serves a purpose, signaling alarm, establishing dominance, or coordinating movements during feeding frenzies. This intricate ballet of light illustrates how bioluminescent creatures have developed communication strategies that enhance their survival in an environment where visual cues are paramount. Moreover, bioluminescence can act as a deceptive tool, a clever ruse that confuses potential predators. The cookie-cutter shark is a master of this tactic. By employing a form of counterillumination, it allows its dark silhouette to blend with the dim light filtering down from the surface. This clever adaptation makes it difficult for predators lurking below to spot the shark as it glides through the twilight zone. In a world where visibility often equates to vulnerability, such adaptations showcase the relentless ingenuity of nature. As we examine these diverse survival strategies, we also find that bioluminescence can play a role in the symbiotic relationships that flourish within ecosystems. The bobtail squid, which we touched upon earlier, embodies this concept beautifully. By hosting bioluminescent bacteria, the squid not only benefits from enhanced camouflage, but also fosters a relationship that is mutually beneficial. The bacteria thrive in the protective environment of the squid's body, while the squid gains a significant survival advantage in the predator-laden waters of the ocean. This partnership is not unique. Numerous species in various ecosystems utilize bioluminescence to forge alliances that enhance their chances of survival against the backdrop of constant threats. Turning our gaze back to terrestrial environments, we can observe similar symbiotic relationships. Certain plants have evolved to attract pollinators with bioluminescent markings on their flowers, creating a beacon for night-flying insects. Imagine walking in a moonlit garden where flowers glow softly, guiding bees and moths to their nectar-rich centers. This not only aids in pollination, but also ensures the continuation of plant species, showcasing how bioluminescence contributes to the delicate balance of ecosystems. The evolutionary advantages of bioluminescence extend beyond mere survival tactics. They also emphasize the adaptability of life. Each organism that exhibits this extraordinary ability has undergone a series of evolutionary pressures that have shaped its use of light. The continued survival of these species often hinges on their ability to outsmart predators, lure prey, or attract mates. The fossil record suggests that bioluminescence has existed for millions of years, evolving in tandem with the environments around it. How did these creatures adapt their light production to suit their specific needs? Through generations of trial and error, subtle changes in their biochemical pathways allowed them to harness this unique trait, resulting in the dazzling displays we witness today. This adaptability also raises intriguing questions about the future of bioluminescent organisms in a changing world. As human activities impact ecosystems, the delicate balance that allows these organisms to thrive becomes increasingly precarious. The health of bioluminescent species can serve as an indicator of ecological well-being. For instance, a decline in certain bioluminescent jellyfish populations may reflect larger issues, such as climate change or ocean acidification. The interconnectedness of life is vividly illustrated by the presence of these glowing beings, reminding us of our shared responsibility to nurture and protect their habitats. As we contemplate the myriad functions of bioluminescence, we are invited to appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature. We find ourselves in a universe where light serves as a vital tool for survival, illuminating the pathways of evolution and adaptation. Each flicker and glow becomes a testament to the resilience of life, a reminder of the creative solutions that organisms develop in response to their environments. What other mysteries lie hidden in the shadows of nature, waiting to be uncovered through the lens of bioluminescence? As we continue to explore this captivating phenomenon, we unveil not only the wonders of the natural world, but also the intricate stories of survival that intertwine every living being. The glow of bioluminescence beckons us to look closer, to seek understanding, and to marvel at the endless possibilities that exist within the delicate balance of life. Chapter 7: The Role of Bioluminescence in Human Culture. Throughout history, bioluminescence has captured the imagination of cultures around the world, becoming woven into the rich fabric of mythology and folklore. Imagine the flickering lights of fireflies, inspiring stories of spirits and fairies flitting through the night. In many cultures, these glowing insects have been viewed as ethereal beings, messengers from the divine or symbols of hope and rebirth. Ancient Greeks valued the luminescence of certain organisms, attributing mystical properties to them. In Japanese folklore, the bioluminescent firefly is celebrated during summer festivals, symbolizing the transient beauty of life. These narratives are not mere flights of fancy. They reflect humanity's deep-seated connection to the natural world. The awe inspired by bioluminescent creatures often finds its way into tales that explore the unknown and the mysterious. Have you ever considered how these stories might shape our understanding of the environment? They teach us to appreciate the wonders around us and to respect the intricate relationships within ecosystems. Moving beyond folklore, bioluminescence has sparked inspiration among artists and creators throughout the ages. Imagine the brush strokes of a painter, capturing the enchanting glow of a bioluminescent bay, where waves shimmer with the light of millions of microscopic organisms. The ethereal beauty of these natural phenomena has been a muse for poets, writers, and musicians alike. Artists have drawn from the allure of bioluminescence to express emotions that transcend words, creating works that resonate with the sublime. Take the enchanting depths of the ocean, where bioluminescent jellyfish drift like glowing clouds, inspiring entire art movements. Renowned artists, such as Claude Monet, have found a source of inspiration in the play of light and color, evoking the shimmering glow of nature in their masterpieces. The interplay of light and shadow, the ethereal qualities of bioluminescence, have provided artists with a unique palette to explore themes of life, death, and transformation. In contemporary society, the relevance of bioluminescence extends far beyond artistic inspiration. Scientists and engineers are harnessing the power of bioluminescent organisms for innovative applications in modern technology. Imagine a world where bioluminescence illuminates our cities, reducing our reliance on electricity while providing a gentle glow that enhances our surroundings. Researchers are studying the genetic mechanisms behind bioluminescence to replicate these natural phenomena in synthetic forms. The potential applications are vast, ranging from sustainable lighting solutions to novel displays in art and design. Moreover, bioluminescence is playing a critical role in scientific research. Have you ever thought about how the luminescent properties of certain organisms could revolutionize medical diagnostics? Scientists are utilizing bioluminescent markers in biological research to track cellular processes, allowing for a deeper understanding of diseases. For instance, luminescent proteins are used in imaging techniques to visualize tumors or monitor the spread of infections. This remarkable technology provides insights that could lead to breakthroughs in treatment and prevention. Furthermore, the potential for bioluminescence extends into environmental monitoring. Imagine a world where bioluminescent organisms serve as living indicators of ecosystem health. Researchers are exploring ways to use the natural glow of certain species to detect pollutants in water bodies. The sensitivity of these organisms to environmental changes makes them ideal candidates for monitoring the health of aquatic ecosystems. Bioluminescent algae, for instance, can reveal shifts in water quality, responding to toxins or changes in temperature with their luminous displays. By harnessing these organisms, scientists aim to create a more sustainable approach to environmental monitoring. This innovation could empower communities to protect their waterways, utilizing nature's own indicators to assess ecosystem health. As we contemplate the myriad ways bioluminescence intersects with human culture, we begin to see the profound impact it has on our understanding of the world. From ancient myths to modern innovations, bioluminescence serves as a bridge between nature and humanity, inviting us to explore the depths of our creativity and curiosity. What might the future hold as we continue to unravel the mysteries of these glowing organisms? The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. In a world increasingly aware of the importance of sustainability, our fascination with bioluminescence could drive us toward more harmonious interactions with our environment. By embracing the lessons learned from bioluminescent organisms, we may find inspiration to illuminate a path forward, one that honors the delicate balance of life on Earth. In this journey of discovery, we encounter the stories and science woven together, revealing the beauty of bioluminescence and its role in shaping our cultural landscape. The glowing lights, whether from a firefly or a distant jellyfish, remind us of the wonders that exist in our world, waiting to be explored and understood. As we venture further into the depths of this luminous phenomenon, we open ourselves to a realm of possibilities that extend beyond our immediate understanding, illuminating our path toward a future filled with hope and innovation. The allure of bioluminescence has sparked the imagination of countless artists and innovators, inspiring creations that meld science with aesthetics. One fascinating aspect of this inspiration lies in the exploration of bioluminescent organisms, which have influenced a variety of art forms, from literature to visual arts. Imagine a storyteller weaving narratives that mirror the enchanting glow of the natural world, reflecting themes of wonder, mystery, and the interconnectedness of life. The luminescent charm of these organisms evokes emotions, allowing artists to delve into the profound relationship between humanity and nature. Consider the works of writers who have drawn upon bioluminescence to convey deeper truths about existence. The soft glow of a firefly on a summer evening can evoke feelings of nostalgia, longing, or the fleeting nature of life itself. This connection is perhaps best illustrated by the poet Matsuo Basho, who expressed the beauty of transience in his haikus. The flickering lights of fireflies serve as metaphors for brief moments of joy, illuminating the darkness of human experience. How do these tiny creatures inspire such grand reflections within us? They remind us of the delicate balance of life, the importance of cherishing the ephemeral, and the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. The influence of bioluminescence extends into the realm of technology, where researchers and engineers are harnessing its potential for innovative applications. Imagine glowing pathways guiding pedestrians through urban landscapes, all illuminated by the natural radiance of bioluminescent organisms. This vision is not far from reality, as scientists investigate ways to incorporate bioluminescence into sustainable lighting solutions. The natural world provides a blueprint for creating energy-efficient systems that could reduce our reliance on traditional energy sources, illuminating our surroundings with a soft, ambient glow that enhances the beauty of the night. Moreover, bioluminescence has proven invaluable in the field of medical research. The remarkable properties of luminescent proteins allow scientists to visualize biological processes with unprecedented clarity. Imagine the intricate dance of cells within the human body, each illuminated by the glow of bioluminescent markers. This groundbreaking technology enables researchers to observe cellular behavior in real time, providing insights into the progression of diseases and the effectiveness of treatments. The ability to track cellular processes opens new avenues for understanding complex diseases, ultimately leading to innovative therapies that can change lives. The potential of bioluminescence also extends to environmental monitoring, where these glowing organisms serve as indicators of ecosystem health. Imagine walking along a shoreline where the water glows in response to pollutants, signaling the need for action. Researchers are exploring the use of bioluminescent organisms as natural sensors, capable of detecting changes in environmental conditions. The sensitivity of these organisms makes them ideal candidates for monitoring water quality and detecting toxins. This natural vigilance could empower communities to take proactive measures in protecting their local ecosystems. Bioluminescent algae, for example, respond to shifts in water quality, their luminescence fluctuating in reaction to increased nutrient levels or the presence of harmful substances. By utilizing these organisms, scientists aim to develop cost-effective and sustainable monitoring systems that provide real-time data on water health. Imagine the impact this could have on preserving aquatic habitats and ensuring safe drinking water. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, the integration of bioluminescence into monitoring processes offers a glimpse of hope. As we reflect on the multifaceted role of bioluminescence in human culture, we begin to see how it not only enchants our senses, but also informs our understanding of the world around us. The stories we tell, the art we create, the technologies we develop, and the ways we monitor our environment all intertwine with this luminous phenomenon. Each glowing organism embodies a wealth of knowledge and inspiration, urging us to look closely and appreciate the beauty of nature's wonders. What might we learn from these glowing beings as we forge ahead into an uncertain future? Perhaps their brilliance can guide us toward a greater harmony with the world. Bioluminescence serves as a reminder of the intricate connections that bind us to the ecosystems we inhabit. It invites us to explore the depths of our creativity and curiosity, fostering a sense of stewardship for the planet. In this luminous journey, we uncover not only the science behind bioluminescence, but also the profound cultural significance it holds. Each encounter with these radiant organisms deepens our appreciation for the natural world, highlighting the myriad ways in which bioluminescence enriches our lives. As we continue to explore the enchanting glow of bioluminescence, we open ourselves to the potential it holds for innovation, inspiration, and a deeper connection to the environment that sustains us. Bioluminescence, with its mesmerizing glow, has not only captured the imaginations of artists and scientists, but also serves as a vital tool for understanding our environment. As we delve into the potential applications in environmental monitoring, we begin to appreciate how these luminous organisms can illuminate the path toward sustainability. Imagine bioluminescent organisms acting as living indicators, revealing the health of our ecosystems in real time. The sensitivity of these organisms to environmental changes makes them ideal for detecting shifts in water quality. When pollutants enter a waterway, bioluminescent algae can respond with a brilliant display, signaling the presence of toxins or nutrient overloads. This natural response could transform how we monitor environmental health, providing immediate feedback to communities and researchers alike. Have you ever considered how such elegant solutions can emerge from the very fabric of nature? By observing and harnessing these biological processes, we can create sustainable monitoring systems that align with the rhythms of the ecosystems they serve. In recent years, various research initiatives have focused on developing bioluminescent biosensors that utilize the natural glow of these organisms. By integrating bioluminescent proteins into technological platforms, scientists aim to create tools that can detect specific pollutants, offering a simple yet effective means of assessing water quality. This innovative approach could empower local communities to take proactive measures in safeguarding their natural resources. Imagine walking along a shoreline where the water glows in response to changes in quality, providing a visual cue that raises awareness and inspires action. Moreover, the application of bioluminescence in environmental monitoring extends beyond water quality. Researchers are exploring how these glowing organisms can be utilized in soil health assessments. By understanding how bioluminescent fungi interact with their surroundings, scientists can gauge the health of terrestrial ecosystems. The glow emitted by these fungi, often influenced by nutrient availability, can indicate the vitality of the soil and its ability to support plant life. This knowledge not only enhances our understanding of soil health, but also contributes to more sustainable agricultural practices. The intersection of bioluminescence and technology opens up a realm of possibilities that can profoundly impact environmental conservation. Imagine cities that glow softly at night, illuminated by bioluminescent plants and organisms, creating a symbiotic relationship between urban development and nature. This vision is not merely fanciful, but is grounded in scientific exploration. As researchers investigate ways to genetically engineer organisms for enhanced bioluminescence, we are reminded of the endless potential that lies within the natural world. As we look to the future, the role of bioluminescence in human culture will likely continue to evolve. The lessons learned from these glowing organisms can guide us toward innovative solutions that honor the interconnectedness of all life. By embracing the wisdom of bioluminescence, we may forge a deeper connection with our environment, fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship that is crucial in today's world. What stories will we tell in the years to come about our relationship with bioluminescent beings? As we explore the luminous wonders of nature, we illuminate not only the darkness around us, but also the path toward a more harmonious existence with our planet. The glow of bioluminescent organisms serves as a reminder of the beauty and resilience of life, inviting us to reflect on our role within the larger tapestry of existence. Each flicker of light is a call to action, urging us to protect and nurture the delicate balance of our ecosystems for generations to come. Thus, as we venture further into the realm of bioluminescence, we uncover not only its scientific significance, but also its profound cultural implications. The enchantment of these glowing organisms transcends mere aesthetics. It speaks to our innate desire to connect with the natural world, to understand the mysteries that lie beyond our perception. In this journey of discovery, we find ourselves intertwined with the luminous legacy of bioluminescence, a legacy that continues to inspire and illuminate the way forward. Chapter 8: Bioluminescence in Science and Medicine. In the intricate realm of biological research, bioluminescent markers have emerged as powerful tools, illuminating the path to new discoveries. Imagine a laboratory bathed in soft, shimmering light, where scientists harness the glow of living organisms to unlock the secrets of life itself. These markers, derived from bioluminescent creatures, allow researchers to visualize cellular processes in real time, providing insights that were once deemed impossible. They are akin to a guiding star, revealing the hidden workings of life at a molecular level. One of the most prominent applications of these luminous markers lies in drug discovery. By tagging specific proteins or genes with bioluminescent tags, scientists can monitor the interactions and behaviors of these molecules within living cells. This innovative approach not only accelerates the drug development process, but also enhances the accuracy of identifying potential candidates for treatment. Imagine a world where diseases can be targeted with precision, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their unique cellular responses. This is not merely a dream, it is a growing reality, fueled by the glow of bioluminescent science. Furthermore, bioluminescence shines a light on medical imaging, transforming traditional practices into something extraordinary. When used in imaging technologies, bioluminescent markers enable non-invasive monitoring of biological processes. Picture a patient undergoing treatment, their body illuminated by the gentle glow of bioluminescent tracers, revealing the inner workings of their health without the discomfort of invasive procedures. This method provides real-time feedback, allowing doctors to assess the effectiveness of treatments as they unfold. As we venture into the world of environmental studies, bioluminescent organisms continue to captivate scientists with their potential. These luminous beings not only serve as indicators of environmental health, but also play a crucial role in understanding ecosystem dynamics. Consider the delicate balance of marine environments, where bioluminescent microorganisms, such as dinoflagellates, respond to changes in water quality and temperature. Their glow can signal shifts in ecological conditions, acting as a natural alarm system for changes that may impact entire ecosystems. By studying these responses, researchers can insights insights into the broader implications of environmental stressors, such as pollution and climate change. In terrestrial ecosystems, bioluminescent fungi contribute significantly to environmental studies as well. Imagine wandering through a damp forest floor, illuminated by the gentle light of these fungi, which serve as indicators of soil health. Their presence can reveal the intricate relationships between various organisms and the health of the ecosystem. The glow emitted by these fungi not only attracts insects for spore dispersal, but also serves as a signal of nutrient availability, highlighting the interconnectedness of life in these habitats. The innovations derived from bioluminescent systems extend into the realm of biotechnology, where nature's glow inspires cutting-edge developments. Researchers are exploring the potential of bioluminescence to create sustainable solutions across various industries. For instance, imagine bioluminescent plants that can illuminate urban spaces, reducing our reliance on artificial lighting. These glowing flora could transform cityscapes, providing both aesthetic beauty and functional lighting, while also contributing to environmental sustainability. Another exciting avenue is the development of bioluminescent biosensors. These sensors, capable of detecting specific environmental pollutants or pathogens, harness the natural glow of bioluminescent organisms to signal the presence of harmful substances. Picture a water source that changes color or emits a soft glow in response to contamination, a clear visual cue that prompts immediate action. This innovation could revolutionize the way we monitor our environment, providing a proactive approach to safeguarding our ecosystems. Pioneers in the field of bioluminescence have laid the groundwork for these advancements, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Among them, Osamu Shimomura, who isolated the bioluminescent protein from the jellyfish Equoria victoria, has paved the way for numerous applications in molecular biology. His work has not only illuminated the scientific community, but has also inspired generations of researchers to explore the depths of bioluminescent potential. The exploration of bioluminescence in science and medicine does not merely reveal the wonders of nature. It also compels us to reflect on our relationship with the environment. How can we harness these luminous capabilities to foster a symbiotic relationship with our ecosystem? As the glow of bioluminescent organisms continues to inspire, it beckons us toward a future where science and nature coexist harmoniously. Envision a world where bioluminescence is not only a phenomenon to marvel at, but a cornerstone of scientific innovation and environmental stewardship. Each glow has a story to tell, a lesson to impart, and a pathway to new horizons of understanding. As we continue to explore the remarkable applications of bioluminescence, the light it casts reveals not only the intricacies of life, but also the profound interconnectedness that binds us all. The journey through the world of bioluminescence leads us to the fascinating realm of bioluminescent markers in biological research. These luminous entities, like tiny beacons, serve not only to illuminate the cellular processes of life, but also to bridge gaps in our understanding of complex biological systems. Imagine a scientist carefully observing the vibrant glow of a bioluminescent marker as it traces the journey of a specific protein within a living cell. This vivid light reveals interactions and pathways that might otherwise remain hidden in the shadows of molecular biology. Bioluminescent markers allow researchers to conduct real-time imaging of cellular activities, providing invaluable insights into the dynamics of life. For instance, the use of these markers in studying cancer cells has opened up new avenues for understanding how tumors grow and respond to treatments. By tagging cancerous cells with luminescent proteins, scientists can track their behavior and interactions with surrounding tissues. This not only enhances our understanding of cancer biology, but also aids in the identification of effective therapeutic strategies. Moreover, these markers are revolutionizing genetic research. Imagine a lab where scientists manipulate genes with precision, employing bioluminescent tags to monitor the effects of gene editing in real time. This remarkable capability allows for quicker iterations in experimental design and offers a clearer picture of how genetic modifications impact cellular functions. The luminous glow becomes a guide in the labyrinth of genetic exploration, illuminating pathways that lead to breakthroughs in understanding hereditary diseases. In the realm of drug discovery, bioluminescent markers are invaluable. They enable high-throughput screening of potential drug candidates by allowing researchers to observe interactions between drugs and their targets in a living system. Picture a vast array of compounds being tested, each one glowing faintly as it interacts with specific biological targets. This approach not only speeds up the identification of promising candidates, but also reduces the reliance on traditional methods that can be time-consuming and less efficient. The glow from these markers acts as a signal of hope, illuminating the path toward innovative therapies. As we turn our gaze toward medical imaging, the applications of bioluminescence become even more striking. Traditional imaging techniques often rely on radiation or contrast agents that may pose risks to patients. In contrast, bioluminescent imaging offers a non-invasive alternative, allowing for the visualization of internal processes without discomfort or exposure to harmful substances. Imagine a patient undergoing a routine scan, their body illuminated by the gentle glow of bioluminescent tracers, revealing the intricacies of their health in real time. This method not only enhances diagnostic capabilities, but also fosters a more patient-centered approach to healthcare. The use of bioluminescent organisms extends beyond the confines of the laboratory, finding applications in environmental studies that resonate with the themes of interconnectedness and ecological balance. Bioluminescent microorganisms, such as dinoflagellates, are sensitive indicators of environmental health. Picture a serene ocean at night, where the water comes alive with the flickering glow of these tiny organisms. Their luminescence not only captivates the human eye, but also signals shifts in water quality, such as changes in temperature or the presence of pollutants. These organisms act as nature's alarm system, alerting scientists to ecological disturbances. By studying their responses to environmental stressors, researchers can gain insights into broader ecological implications, contributing to the understanding of climate change and its effects on marine ecosystems. Imagine the potential for proactive conservation efforts, driven by the luminous signals of these organisms, guiding us to preserve the delicate balance of our oceans. On land, bioluminescent fungi add another layer of depth to environmental studies. These enchanting organisms illuminate the forest floor, offering a glimpse into the health of terrestrial ecosystems. Their glow can indicate nutrient availability and soil quality, serving as a vital component of the nutrient cycling process. Picture a damp forest, where the light of bioluminescent fungi reveals the hidden connections between various organisms. The delicate interplay between fungi, plants, and microorganisms fosters a complex web of life that sustains the ecosystem. The innovations inspired by bioluminescent systems extend into biotechnology, where the potential for sustainable solutions takes center stage. Imagine a future where bioluminescent plants replace traditional streetlights, casting a soft, natural glow across urban landscapes. These glowing flora not only beautify our surroundings, but also contribute to energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. The implementation of bioluminescent solutions could lead to a new era of urban design, where nature and technology harmoniously coexist. Additionally, the development of bioluminescent biosensors holds great promise for environmental monitoring. These sensors can detect specific contaminants or pathogens, utilizing the natural glow of bioluminescent organisms to signal their presence. Picture a water source that begins to shimmer in response to contamination, a clear visual indicator urging immediate action. This innovation could transform our approach to environmental protection, fostering a culture of proactive stewardship. As we consider the contributions of pioneers like Osamu Shimomura, we are reminded that the exploration of bioluminescence is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Shimomura's groundbreaking work has not only illuminated the scientific community, but has also inspired a generation of researchers to delve into the wonders of bioluminescence. His contributions serve as a reminder that the glow of nature can light the way to new discoveries and innovations. In this ever-evolving landscape of bioluminescence, we are beckoned to reflect on our relationship with the natural world. How can we harness these luminous capabilities to foster a more sustainable future? As the glow of bioluminescent organisms continues to inspire, it invites us to explore the possibilities that lie ahead. Each flicker of light carries the potential for discovery, reminding us of the interconnectedness that binds all living things. The journey through bioluminescence is not merely a scientific exploration, but a call to action, urging us to safeguard our planet and embrace the luminous beauty that surrounds us. Bioluminescent markers have also revolutionized the field of environmental monitoring, particularly through their integration into the study of ecosystems. These remarkable organisms serve as living indicators of environmental health, illuminating changes in their surroundings that may go unnoticed by the human eye. Picture a serene coastal area where bioluminescent phytoplankton respond to shifts in water quality, their glow intensifying or fading based on the presence of pollutants or the temperature of the water. This natural response offers a window into the delicate balance of marine life, allowing scientists to assess the impacts of climate change and human activity in real time. Consider the implications of such a system. By harnessing the natural fluorescence of these organisms, researchers can establish a baseline for ecosystem health, using the luminous signals as early warnings for potential ecological disasters. Imagine scientists deploying bioluminescent sensors in various aquatic environments, tracking changes over time and gathering data that could lead to more effective conservation strategies. This approach not only enhances our understanding of marine ecosystems, but also empowers communities to take action in preserving their local environments. In terrestrial ecosystems, the role of bioluminescent fungi extends beyond their ethereal glow. These fungi participate in complex interactions within their habitats, aiding in nutrient cycling and soil health. Imagine stepping softly on a forest floor lit by these fungi, where their luminous presence signifies a rich interplay of life beneath the surface. As they break down organic matter, they release vital nutrients back into the soil, nurturing the very foundation of the ecosystem. This process supports both plant life and the myriad organisms that depend on a healthy soil system. The glow of these fungi serves an additional purpose. By attracting insects, they facilitate spore dispersal, ensuring the continuation of their species. Each flicker of light acts as a beacon, guiding pollinators through the dark, dense underbrush. This interplay is a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of life, where even the smallest organisms contribute to the broader tapestry of the ecosystem. As we explore the innovations inspired by bioluminescent systems, we are also led to the intriguing potential of genetic engineering. Imagine scientists harnessing the genes responsible for bioluminescence to create new applications in various fields. For example, researchers are investigating the possibility of engineering crops that exhibit bioluminescence, illuminating fields at night. This could not only enhance visual aesthetics, but also provide practical benefits, such as reducing the need for artificial lighting in agricultural settings. Moreover, the development of bioluminescent microbes could lead to breakthroughs in bioremediation, as these organisms might be engineered to glow in the presence of specific pollutants, signaling contamination in real time. Picture a landscape where nature itself provides the tools for monitoring and maintaining environmental health, a harmonious partnership between technology and ecology. The beauty of bioluminescence lies not only in its scientific applications, but also in the inspiration it provides for creative endeavors. Artists and innovators draw from the enchanting glow of bioluminescent organisms, translating nature's brilliance into art, design, and technology. Imagine a cityscape illuminated by bioluminescent architecture, where buildings glow softly at night, creating a symbiotic relationship between urban development and the natural world. This vision invites us to consider how we might integrate bioluminescence into our daily lives, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. As we immerse ourselves in the realm of bioluminescence, we are reminded of the profound lessons it teaches us about resilience and adaptation. The organisms that produce light have evolved remarkable strategies for survival, each unique glow a testament to the ingenuity of nature. This understanding compels us to reflect on our own interactions with the environment. How can we learn from these luminous beings to foster a more sustainable coexistence with the world around us? The exploration of bioluminescence in science and medicine continues to unveil new possibilities, urging us to envision a future where the glow of nature serves as a guiding light. Each discovery invites us to delve deeper into the mysteries of life, weaving a narrative that celebrates the interconnectedness of all living things. As we move forward, the luminous pathways illuminated by bioluminescence beckon us to tread thoughtfully, embracing the wonders of the natural world and the innovations that arise from its embrace. Chapter 9: Conservation of Bioluminescent Species. The world of bioluminescent organisms stands at a critical juncture, facing a myriad of threats that jeopardize their very existence. From the depths of the ocean to the lush canopies of forests, these creatures, which have captivated human imagination for centuries, are increasingly vulnerable to environmental changes and human activities. Imagine the gentle sparkle of a firefly on a warm summer night, a fleeting image that could become a memory if their habitats continue to dwindle. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation are all factors contributing to the decline of these luminous beings. In marine environments, pollution introduces toxic substances that can disrupt the delicate balance of life. Consider the plight of deep-sea organisms, reliant on bioluminescence for survival in a world where light is scarce. When chemical pollutants infiltrate their habitats, the intricate relationships these creatures have with their environment can be irrevocably altered. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforest of the ocean, are home to countless bioluminescent organisms. Yet, rising ocean temperatures and acidification threaten these vibrant ecosystems. Similarly, terrestrial bioluminescent fungi face the encroachment of urbanization and deforestation. As forests are cleared for agriculture or development, the delicate ecosystems that support these fungi are disrupted. Imagine wandering through a once thriving forest, where the soft glow of bioluminescent fungi has been replaced by barren soil. The loss of these habitats not only impacts the fungi themselves, but also the myriad species that depend on them for survival. Preserving the habitats of bioluminescent organisms is of paramount importance. These ecosystems are not only home to glowing wonders, but also play crucial roles in maintaining ecological balance. Consider the role of bioluminescent plankton in marine food webs. These tiny organisms serve as foundational elements, supporting larger species, from fish to marine mammals. Protecting their habitats ensures the survival of not just the bioluminescent species, but the entire ecosystem that relies on them. Efforts to conserve these luminous beings have taken many forms, reflecting a growing recognition of their ecological significance. Scientists and conservationists are working hand in hand to establish protected areas that safeguard the habitats of bioluminescent species. In marine environments, initiatives like marine protected areas allow ecosystems to thrive free from human interference. These sanctuaries help restore balance, providing a haven for bioluminescent organisms to flourish. On land, conservation programs are focusing on forest preservation and restoration. These efforts aim to create corridors that allow for the movement of species, ensuring genetic diversity and resilience. Collaborations between local communities and conservation organizations have also become pivotal in these initiatives. By involving communities in conservation efforts, the understanding and appreciation of bioluminescent organisms grow, fostering a sense of stewardship toward their habitats. Public awareness plays a crucial role in the conservation of bioluminescent species. Have you ever paused to consider how knowledge can transform our relationship with the natural world? Educational programs aimed at raising awareness about the importance of bioluminescence in ecosystems can inspire individuals to take action. Imagine children learning about fireflies in school, their eyes sparkling with wonder as they discover how these insects communicate through light. This knowledge can spark a lifelong passion for conservation and a commitment to protecting these luminous beings. Events like bioluminescent festivals celebrate the magic of these organisms, drawing people together to share in their awe. These gatherings not only provide entertainment, but also serve as platforms for education, where participants learn about the ecological roles of bioluminescent species. The more we understand their importance, the more motivated we become to protect them. In recent years, technology has also emerged as a powerful ally in conservation efforts. Citizen science initiatives invite people to contribute to data collection, tracking bioluminescent species and their habitats. Imagine walking on a beach at night, your phone in hand, capturing images of glowing plankton as part of a larger effort to monitor their populations. This integration of technology and community engagement helps scientists gather valuable data while fostering a sense of ownership among individuals. Moreover, storytelling has the potential to bridge the gap between scientific research and public engagement. By sharing compelling narratives about bioluminescent organisms and their ecological significance, we can evoke empathy and inspire action. Imagine a documentary highlighting the glow of bioluminescent creatures, intertwined with stories of the scientists dedicated to their study. Such narratives have the power to reach hearts and minds, driving home the urgency of conservation. Preserving bioluminescent species is not merely an ecological endeavor, it is a cultural imperative. As mentioned earlier, bioluminescence has woven itself into the fabric of human culture, inspiring art, folklore, and scientific inquiry. The loss of these glowing organisms would diminish not only the richness of our ecosystems, but also the stories and connections that bind us to the natural world. In the face of challenges, an optimistic outlook emerges. The resilience of bioluminescent species, combined with the dedication of conservationists, scientists, and communities, offers a glimmer of hope. Imagine a future where fireflies continue to illuminate our summer nights, where the glowing tides of bioluminescent plankton dance in harmony with ocean currents, and where the ethereal glow of fungi guides us through enchanted forests. Together, through sustained efforts and a collective commitment to conservation, we can ensure that the magic of bioluminescence endures for generations to come. The light that these organisms emit serves as a reminder of the beauty and complexity of life on Earth, urging us to protect the delicate balance of nature that sustains us all. The threats facing bioluminescent organisms are compounded by the rapid pace of human activity and climate change. As global temperatures rise, the delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted, leading to shifts in species distributions and behaviors. Have you ever thought about how even the smallest changes in temperature can ripple through an entire ecosystem? For bioluminescent species, slight variations in their environment can profoundly affect their survival. In coastal regions, for example, rising sea levels threaten the habitats of bioluminescent plankton. These microorganisms, which play a vital role in marine food webs, rely on specific environmental conditions to thrive. When their habitats are submerged or altered by human development, the consequences can be dire. Similarly, the warming oceans affect the reproductive cycles of many marine species, including those that rely on bioluminescence for mating displays or predation. On land, the increasing frequency of wildfires presents another significant threat to bioluminescent fungi. These enchanting organisms, which contribute to the decomposition of organic matter and nutrient cycling, are vulnerable to the intense heat and destruction caused by fire. Picture a vibrant forest, once alive with the soft glow of luminescent fungi, reduced to ash and charred remains. The loss of such organisms not only diminishes the aesthetic beauty of these ecosystems, but also disrupts the intricate interactions that sustain them. Efforts to protect bioluminescent species and their habitats are becoming increasingly crucial. Conservationists recognize that preserving these ecosystems requires a multifaceted approach. Imagine a team of scientists and volunteers meticulously cataloging the bioluminescent species found in a particular region, documenting their populations and behaviors. Such initiatives can provide critical data that informs conservation strategies and helps monitor the health of these ecosystems over time. In areas where bioluminescent organisms are threatened, restoration projects are gaining momentum. These initiatives focus on rehabilitating degraded habitats, whether through reforestation in terrestrial environments or coral reef restoration in marine settings. By restoring the natural balance, conservationists aim to create conditions that allow bioluminescent species to thrive once more. Consider the beauty of a restored coral reef, where bioluminescent organisms once again find their home, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of life beneath the waves. Collaborative efforts are essential in these conservation initiatives. Local communities often hold invaluable knowledge about the ecosystems they inhabit, making their involvement crucial. Imagine a community workshop where locals share stories of their connection to bioluminescent species, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility for their preservation. By empowering these communities, conservationists can enhance the effectiveness of their strategies, creating a united front in the battle against habitat loss. Public awareness and education are vital components of these conservation efforts. Have you ever considered how awareness campaigns can shift public perception and inspire action? Through outreach programs, conservationists can engage people of all ages, from schoolchildren to adults, fostering an appreciation for the wonders of bioluminescence. Imagine school field trips to local parks where children observe fireflies or visit bioluminescent bays, their eyes wide with curiosity and excitement. These experiences can shape their understanding of the importance of preserving these miraculous organisms. In addition to traditional education, digital platforms are increasingly playing a role in raising awareness. Social media campaigns can reach vast audiences, spreading information about bioluminescent species and the threats they face. Imagine scrolling through your feed and encountering stunning images of glowing organisms, accompanied by stories of their ecological significance. Such visuals can captivate hearts and minds, motivating individuals to contribute to conservation efforts, whether through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading the word. Art and storytelling also serve as powerful tools in conservation efforts. Artists often draw inspiration from the mesmerizing beauty of bioluminescence, creating works that resonate deeply with the public. Picture an art installation that simulates the glow of bioluminescent organisms, inviting viewers to immerse themselves in the experience. Such creative expressions can evoke emotions and foster a sense of connection to the natural world, igniting a passion for conservation. Scientific advancements continue to enhance our understanding of bioluminescent organisms and their role in ecosystems. Researchers are employing innovative technologies to study these creatures in greater detail, from genomic sequencing to advanced imaging techniques. Imagine scientists delving into the genetic blueprints of bioluminescent species, uncovering the secrets of their light-producing mechanisms. This knowledge not only enriches our understanding of biology, but also informs conservation strategies aimed at protecting these organisms. As we face unprecedented environmental challenges, the conservation of bioluminescent species becomes not only an ecological necessity, but also a symbol of hope. Each glowing organism serves as a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Picture a future where the gentle glow of fireflies continues to grace our evenings, where bioluminescent plankton still light up the shores, and where the ethereal glow of fungi remains a beacon of life in the darkest forests. By fostering a collective commitment to conservation, we can ensure that these luminous beings endure, enriching our world with their beauty and ecological significance. The light they emit is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life, urging us to protect the delicate balance that sustains our planet. As we consider the myriad challenges facing bioluminescent organisms, the role of human intervention becomes increasingly significant. The delicate balance of nature is often disrupted by our actions, but we also hold the power to effect positive change. Imagine communities rallying together, inspired by the luminous wonders of their local environment, working to conserve and restore these enchanting habitats. In the realm of conservation, innovative partnerships are emerging that blend science and community engagement. Conservationists collaborate with local fishermen to develop sustainable practices that protect bioluminescent species while supporting the livelihoods of those who rely on the ocean's bounty. This synergy fosters a sense of shared responsibility, as individuals witness firsthand the impact of their efforts on the vibrant ecosystems they cherish. Public awareness initiatives have also expanded to include citizen science projects, where individuals contribute to the monitoring of bioluminescent species. Picture a family spending an evening by the shore, collecting data on the glowing plankton they encounter. Each observation not only enriches scientific knowledge, but also deepens their connection to the natural world. The act of participation transforms passive observers into active stewards of the environment, encouraging a lifelong commitment to conservation. Education holds the key to fostering this sense of stewardship. Schools are increasingly integrating environmental science into their curricula, allowing students to explore the wonders of bioluminescence firsthand. Imagine children engaged in hands-on activities, such as creating their own bioluminescent models or visiting bioluminescent bays on field trips. These experiences ignite curiosity, inspiring the next generation of scientists, conservationists, and advocates for the environment. In the digital age, the reach of conservation messages has expanded exponentially. Social media campaigns share stunning visuals of bioluminescent organisms, captivating audiences and prompting discussions about their importance. Imagine scrolling through a feed filled with glowing jellyfish or shimmering fireflies, each post a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us and the urgent need to protect it. This virtual connection can transcend geographical barriers, uniting individuals across the globe in a shared mission. The intersection of art and science further enhances awareness and appreciation for bioluminescent species. Artists often draw upon the beauty of these organisms to create evocative works that resonate with the public. Imagine an art exhibit showcasing immersive installations that simulate bioluminescent environments, allowing visitors to step into a world illuminated by nature's glow. Such artistic expressions not only celebrate the wonder of bioluminescence, but also serve as powerful calls to action, urging viewers to reflect on their role in preserving these ecosystems. As we delve deeper into the importance of preserving bioluminescent habitats, we uncover the profound connections that exist within ecosystems. Each organism, whether glowing or not, plays a vital role in maintaining the health of its environment. The loss of bioluminescent species would create ripple effects, disrupting food webs and diminishing the resilience of entire ecosystems. Imagine the silence of a forest devoid of the soft glow of fungi, or the darkened shores where bioluminescent plankton once painted the waves. In this context, the conservation of bioluminescent species transcends mere ecological interest. It embodies a commitment to preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. By safeguarding these luminous organisms, we also protect the myriad interactions that contribute to the richness of biodiversity. The glimmers of light that emerge from these creatures serve as reminders of the interconnectedness of all living beings and the shared responsibility we bear in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. As we look to the future, the efforts to conserve bioluminescent species will require unwavering dedication and innovative thinking. The challenges are daunting, yet the potential for positive change is within reach. Imagine a world where bioluminescent organisms thrive, their glow illuminating our nights and enriching our ecosystems. Through collaboration, education, and a collective commitment to conservation, we can ensure that the wonders of bioluminescence endure, a testament to the beauty and resilience of life on Earth. Chapter 10: The Future of Bioluminescence Research. In the ever-evolving landscape of bioluminescence research, a canvas of new discoveries and innovations unfolds. Emerging trends are reshaping our understanding of this captivating phenomenon, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. Imagine a world where the glow of bioluminescent organisms illuminates not only the depths of our oceans, but also the corridors of our laboratories and the fields of biotechnology. Each flicker of light serves as a beacon guiding researchers toward uncharted territories of knowledge. One of the most promising directions in bioluminescence studies is the exploration of synthetic biology. Scientists are beginning to engineer bioluminescent organisms, tailoring their light-emitting capabilities for specific applications. By manipulating the genes responsible for bioluminescence, researchers can create organisms that emit light in various colors and intensities. This innovative approach opens up a realm of possibilities, from creating glowing plants that could light up urban landscapes to developing bioluminescent bacteria that can signal environmental changes. Picture a garden where flowers softly glow at night, a gentle reminder of life's intricate connections to nature. The potential for bioluminescent organisms in biotechnology is vast. Researchers are investigating their use in environmental monitoring, where bioluminescent indicators can reveal the presence of pollutants or changes in ecosystem health. For instance, imagine a bioluminescent microbe that glows brightly in response to harmful toxins, acting as an early warning system for pollution. This kind of application not only emphasizes the importance of biodiversity, but also highlights the invaluable role bioluminescent organisms can play in safeguarding our environment. As we explore these emerging trends, we must also acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. The path of bioluminescence research is not without obstacles. One significant challenge is the ethical considerations surrounding genetic engineering. As scientists push the boundaries of what is possible, questions arise about the implications of altering living organisms. How do we balance innovation with responsibility? In navigating these waters, it is crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions that integrate diverse perspectives, ensuring that the pursuit of knowledge aligns with ethical standards and ecological stewardship. Another challenge is the need for interdisciplinary collaboration. The study of bioluminescence intersects with various fields, including molecular biology, ecology, and environmental science. By fostering interdisciplinary approaches, researchers can deepen their understanding of bioluminescent systems and their ecological roles. Imagine a team of scientists, artists, and ethicists working together, each bringing their unique insights to the table. This collaborative spirit not only enriches the research, but also cultivates a holistic perspective on the importance of bioluminescence in our world. Consider the legacy of those who have come before us in the field of bioluminescence. Pioneers like Osamu Shimomura, who won the Nobel Prize for his work with the green fluorescent protein, have paved the way for future generations. Their contributions remind us that the study of bioluminescence is not merely a scientific endeavor, but a journey of discovery and wonder. As Shimomura once remarked, nature is the best chemist. This sentiment resonates deeply as we look to the future, recognizing that the secrets of bioluminescence are woven into the fabric of life itself. The opportunities for bioluminescence research are as luminous as the organisms themselves. With advancements in technology, researchers can now observe bioluminescent processes in real time, providing unprecedented insights into cellular dynamics. Imagine a laboratory where scientists peer into the microscopic world, witnessing the glow of bioluminescent proteins illuminating cellular interactions. This capability not only enhances our understanding of fundamental biological processes, but also propels research in medicine, ecology, and beyond. As we gaze toward the horizon of bioluminescence research, the importance of education and public engagement cannot be overlooked. By sharing the wonders of bioluminescent organisms with the broader community, we can foster appreciation and understanding of these remarkable beings. Imagine schoolchildren captivated by the glow of fireflies, learning about the science behind their light and the ecological significance they hold. This connection to nature nurtures curiosity and inspires future generations of scientists and environmental stewards. The future of bioluminescence research is a tapestry woven with threads of curiosity, innovation, and collaboration. Each discovery illuminates new pathways, revealing the profound connections between bioluminescent organisms and the ecosystems they inhabit. As we embark on this journey, we carry with us the lessons learned from the past and the aspirations for a brighter future, one where the glow of bioluminescence continues to inspire and guide us. With the potential applications in biotechnology and environmental monitoring, bioluminescence stands at the forefront of scientific exploration. As we ponder the next chapter of this captivating field, we are reminded that the light emitted by these remarkable organisms is not just a phenomenon to be observed. It is a source of inspiration for innovation, a symbol of the intricate connections within our ecosystems, and a call to action for conservation and stewardship. The future beckons, illuminated by the gentle glow of bioluminescent life, urging us to pursue the unknown with wonder and reverence. As we look ahead in bioluminescence research, we see the emergence of new technologies that promise to deepen our understanding and expand the applications of this fascinating natural phenomenon. Innovations in imaging techniques, such as advanced microscopy, allow scientists to visualize bioluminescent reactions at the cellular level, providing a window into the dynamic processes that govern life. Imagine being able to observe the intricate behavior of bioluminescent microorganisms as they respond to environmental stimuli, the glowing patterns unfolding like a story written in light. One particularly exciting trend is the application of bioluminescence in environmental monitoring. Researchers are developing biosensors that utilize bioluminescent organisms to detect changes in environmental conditions, such as water quality or the presence of toxins. These organisms can serve as living indicators, their glow varying in intensity based on the surrounding environment. This kind of innovation underscores the potential for bioluminescence to not only illuminate our scientific inquiries, but also to serve as a guiding light for environmental stewardship. How might our relationship with nature shift if we could see, quite literally, the health of our ecosystems reflected in the light of bioluminescent organisms? Furthermore, the integration of bioluminescence with nanotechnology is paving the way for groundbreaking applications in medicine and diagnostics. Researchers are exploring the use of bioluminescent proteins in conjunction with nanoparticles to enhance imaging techniques and improve the targeting of therapeutic agents. This fusion of bioluminescence and nanotechnology holds the promise of more precise medical interventions, allowing for the monitoring of disease progression and treatment efficacy in real time. Imagine a future where light emitted from within our bodies reveals the inner workings of our health, shining a light on diseases before they manifest in significant ways. The journey of bioluminescence research also brings forth significant challenges that demand our attention. Ethical considerations surrounding the manipulation of living organisms for research and application pose profound questions. As we engineer bioluminescent organisms, how do we ensure that our interventions respect the integrity of natural ecosystems? The balance between scientific advancement and ecological responsibility is delicate, requiring ongoing dialogue among scientists, ethicists, and the public. It invites us to ponder not just what we can do with bioluminescence, but what we should do. The future of bioluminescence also hinges on the collaborative efforts across disciplines. As bioluminescence intersects with fields such as art, design, and engineering, we see a unique convergence of creativity and science. Artists have long drawn inspiration from the luminous wonders of nature, and this interplay can lead to novel ways of thinking about bioluminescent organisms. Imagine an exhibit where art and science merge, showcasing the beauty of bioluminescent creatures while simultaneously educating the public about their ecological importance. Such initiatives not only illuminate the wonders of bioluminescence, but also foster a sense of stewardship and a desire to protect these luminous beings. Moreover, the role of education in bioluminescence research cannot be overstated. By integrating bioluminescence into educational curricula, we can inspire a new generation of scientists, artists, and environmentalists. Programs that engage students in hands-on experiences with bioluminescent organisms can cultivate curiosity and foster a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Consider the impact of a child witnessing the enchanting glow of fireflies or bioluminescent plankton for the first time. This moment can ignite a lifelong passion for science and conservation. As the field progresses, we must also be vigilant in addressing the conservation of bioluminescent species. Protecting their habitats is paramount to ensuring their survival and the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Restoration projects aimed at rehabilitating degraded environments can play a critical role in preserving the delicate balance that allows bioluminescent organisms to thrive. Each effort to conserve these luminous beings is an investment in the future, safeguarding the intricate web of life that they represent. In this expansive journey, we find that the future of bioluminescence research is not a solitary path, but a shared adventure. It beckons us to embrace curiosity, collaboration, and compassion as we explore the myriad possibilities that lie ahead. The glow of bioluminescent organisms serves as a reminder of the connections that bind us to the natural world and to each other. As we step forward, may we carry the light of knowledge and the spirit of inquiry, illuminating the way for future generations to explore, understand, and cherish the wonders of bioluminescence. As we envision the unfolding chapters of bioluminescence research, we must acknowledge the profound opportunities that lie ahead. The convergence of bioluminescence with emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, could revolutionize our approach to understanding these luminous organisms. Imagine harnessing vast datasets collected from bioluminescent species and analyzing them with sophisticated algorithms. Such advancements can provide insights into the genetic and ecological dynamics that govern bioluminescent traits, enhancing our ability to predict how these organisms might respond to environmental changes. Furthermore, the potential for bioluminescent organisms to act as bioindicators cannot be underestimated. Their sensitivity to environmental shifts positions them as crucial allies in monitoring ecosystem health. Picture a landscape where bioluminescent organisms serve as sentinels, their glow dimming or brightening in response to shifts in water quality or habitat conditions. This natural feedback mechanism could lead to a new era of conservation, where we harness the inherent qualities of life forms to gauge the state of our environment. The cultivation of bioluminescent organisms for biotechnological applications is another frontier brimming with promise. Researchers are experimenting with bioluminescent algae and bacteria in various settings, exploring their potential roles in sustainable agriculture and renewable energy. Imagine fields of crops illuminated by bioluminescent microbes, enhancing both growth and pest resistance without the need for chemical fertilizers. This vision intertwines seamlessly with our growing awareness of sustainable practices, reminding us that nature often holds the keys to the solutions we seek. In the realm of education, the integration of bioluminescence into science curricula is vital for nurturing a sense of wonder and responsibility among young learners. How can we foster a generation that is both scientifically literate and deeply connected to the natural world? Engaging students with hands-on experiences, such as observing bioluminescent organisms in their habitats or conducting experiments in the classroom, can spark lasting curiosity. Imagine a child's delight as they witness the magical glow of a bioluminescent bay, embedding the beauty of science in their memory. Moreover, the importance of public engagement cannot be overstated. As we strive to unravel the mysteries of bioluminescence, sharing our findings with the community can inspire collective action toward conservation efforts. Art installations, science fairs, and community programs can bridge the gap between scientific research and public understanding, fostering a culture of appreciation for the luminous wonders of our world. When communities come together to celebrate and protect these organisms, we create a network of advocates dedicated to preserving the delicate balance of nature. Looking toward the future, it is essential to prioritize the ethical considerations surrounding bioluminescence research. As we continue to manipulate genetic material and explore the boundaries of synthetic biology, we must tread thoughtfully, ensuring that our actions do not disrupt ecological harmony. How do we navigate the intersection of innovation and ethics? Engaging in open dialogues with ethicists, policymakers, and the public can guide our decisions, ensuring that we honor both our scientific ambitions and our responsibilities to the planet. Bioluminescence research offers not just a glimpse into the beauty of life, but also an opportunity to reflect on our place within the broader ecological tapestry. The light emitted by these organisms serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living beings. As we delve into the complexities of bioluminescence, we are invited to consider our role as stewards of the environment, champions of biodiversity, and seekers of knowledge. In this journey forward, the promise of bioluminescence extends far beyond scientific inquiry. It beckons us to embrace a future illuminated by creativity, collaboration, and compassion. Each discovery, each glowing organism, holds the potential to inspire profound change. As we look to the horizon, may we carry the spirit of exploration and the commitment to protecting the luminous wonders that enrich our lives. In doing so, we keep the glow of bioluminescent life alive, nurturing a world where curiosity flourishes and the light of knowledge shines brightly.